Clownfish are small, brightly colored fish that belong to the family Pomacentridae. They are perhaps best known for their distinctive appearance and their association with sea anemones. Here are some key characteristics and facts about clownfish. Clownfish are characterized by their vibrant colors, which typically include shades of orange, red, yellow, or black, often with white stripes or patterns. These colors help them blend in with the tentacles of sea anemones, which provide them with protection. Clownfish have a unique and mutually beneficial relationship with sea anemones. They live among the tentacles of sea anemones, where they are protected from predators. Because the anemone's tentacles contain stinging cells that deter most other fish. In return, clownfish provide food for the anemones by bringing them small prey like plankton and detritus. Clownfish have a special mucus layer on their skin that prevents them from being stung by the sea anemones they inhabit. This immunity allows them to move freely within the tentacles. Clownfish are generally found in small groups led by a dominant female, with a few subordinate males. If the dominant female dies, the largest subordinate male will often undergo a sex change and become the new female. Clownfish are primarily found in the warm waters of the Pacific and Indian Oceans, particularly in coral reefs. They are most commonly associated with the Great Barrier Reef in Australia. Clownfish are omnivorous and feed on a diet of small zooplankton, algae, and detritus. They are also known to scavenge for food within their host sea anemone. Due to their striking colors and interesting behavior, clownfish are popular choices for marine aquariums. However, it's important to note that collecting clownfish from the wild can have a negative impact on their populations and their host sea anemones. Many clownfish available in the aquarium trade today are bred in captivity to reduce the pressure on wild populations. Clownfish have become iconic marine creatures, in part due to their appearance in the animated movie Finding Nemo, where a clownfish named Nemo is the central character. Atlantic salmon, scientifically known as SoulSoRelaxing, is a species of fish that is native to the North Atlantic Ocean. It is one of the most well-known and economically important species of salmon, and is highly valued for its culinary and commercial significance. Here are some key characteristics and facts about Atlantic salmon. Atlantic salmon are typically silver in color with black spots on their upper body. When they return to fresh water to spawn, they undergo physical changes that include the development of a hooked jaw and a change in coloration, with males often becoming more brightly colored. Atlantic salmon are anadromous, which means they are born in freshwater rivers and streams, migrate to the ocean to grow and mature, and then return to their natal rivers to spawn. This migration from freshwater to saltwater and back again is a remarkable aspect of their life cycle. They are found in a wide range of habitats, from small streams to large rivers and the open ocean. In the ocean, they are known to travel long distances and can be found in the North Atlantic, including areas off the coast of North America and Europe. In the ocean, Atlantic salmon are carnivorous and feed on a diet of small fish, shrimp, and other marine organisms. In freshwater, their diet may consist of insects and other aquatic invertebrates. Atlantic salmon is a highly prized seafood and is commercially farmed in many parts of the world. Salmon farming is a major industry in countries like Norway, Chile, and Canada. Farmed salmon are bred and raised in controlled environments, primarily in large net pens or tanks, to meet the demand for salmon in the global market. Wild Atlantic salmon populations have faced significant challenges due to habitat degradation, overfishing, and other factors. Many efforts are underway to conserve and restore wild Atlantic salmon populations. Sustainable fishing and responsible aquaculture practices are also promoted to reduce the environmental impact of salmon production. Atlantic salmon is known for its delicious, mild flavor, and is often prepared in various culinary styles, including grilling, baking, smoking, and raw as sashimi. It is a popular choice in restaurants and home kitchens for its versatility and taste. While Atlantic salmon is available both from wild catches and aquaculture, a significant portion of the salmon available in the market today comes from salmon farms. Farming allows for consistent availability and helps reduce pressure on wild populations, but it also raises environmental and sustainability concerns that need to be managed responsibly. Overall, Atlantic salmon is a species with cultural, economic, and ecological significance, and its conservation and sustainable management are important considerations for the health of both wild populations and the seafood industry. The great white shark is a large predatory shark species known for its iconic appearance and reputation as one of the ocean's apex predators. Here are some key characteristics and facts about great white sharks. Great white sharks are large and powerful, with a streamlined body and a distinctive appearance. They are typically grayish-blue to brownish-gray on their upper bodies and white on their bellies, which helps them blend in when viewed from below and above. They have a conical snout, a row of serrated, triangular teeth, and multiple rows of teeth that they use for biting and tearing prey. Great white sharks are among the largest predatory sharks and can reach lengths of up to 20 feet or more. Some reports have claimed even larger individuals, but these are often difficult to verify. They are found in coastal and open ocean waters around the world, primarily in cool to temperate regions. They are often associated with areas where marine mammals, such as seals and sea lions, are abundant, as these animals are a primary food source for great white sharks. Great white sharks are carnivorous predators and feed primarily on a diet of marine mammals, fish, and occasionally seabirds. They are known for their powerful bite and ability to ambush prey from below with great force. Great white sharks are known for their curious and inquisitive nature. They often investigate objects in their environment by biting them, which has led to occasional interactions with boats and divers. However, they are not typically considered a threat to humans, and most attacks on humans are believed to be cases of mistaken identity. They are viviparous, which means they give birth to live fully developed pups. Female great white sharks typically have a low reproductive rate, giving birth to a small number of pups after a gestation period of around 12 months. Great white sharks are considered vulnerable and face conservation challenges, primarily due to overfishing, the catch in fisheries, and habitat degradation. International efforts are underway to protect and conserve these sharks, and they are often the subject of research to better understand their behavior and ecology. Great white sharks have been the subject of fascination and fear in popular culture, often portrayed as menacing creatures in movies like Jaws. While these portrayals have contributed to their reputation as fearsome predators, it's important to note that great white sharks are essential components of healthy marine ecosystems. Great white sharks play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of marine food webs by controlling populations of prey species, and they are a valuable species for ecological and scientific study. Efforts to protect and conserve them are important for the overall health of the world's oceans. The goldfish is a popular and well-known freshwater fish species that belongs to the family Cyprinidae. Goldfish are native to East Asia, but are now kept and bred by enthusiasts all over the world as ornamental fish. Here are some key characteristics and facts about goldfish. Goldfish are characterized by their distinctive appearance. They have a streamlined body with bright, shimmering scales that can be various shades of gold, orange, red, white, and even black. They have a pair of prominent fan-shaped tails, and their eyes are typically round and protruding. Goldfish come in various sizes, with some individuals reaching up to a foot or more in length, while others remain relatively small. The size of goldfish can vary based on factors like genetics, care, and the environment in which they are raised. Goldfish are freshwater fish and are commonly kept in aquariums, ponds, and water gardens. They are adaptable and can thrive in a range of water conditions, making them popular choices for both beginners and experienced fish keepers. Over centuries of selective breeding, goldfish have been bred into numerous varieties, each with its own unique characteristics. Some popular varieties include the common goldfish, comet shubunkin, fantail oranda, riku, and many others. These varieties exhibit variations in body shape, finnage, and coloration. Goldfish are omnivorous and will eat a variety of foods. Their diet typically consists of commercial fish flakes or pellets, as well as live or frozen foods like brined shrimp, bloodworms, and vegetable matter. It's important to provide a balanced diet to keep them healthy. Goldfish can have relatively long lifespans when well cared for. In the right conditions, they can live for 10 to 15 years or even longer. Goldfish are generally social and can be kept in groups, although they may exhibit some territorial behavior. They are peaceful and compatible with other non-aggressive fish species. Proper care for goldfish includes maintaining clean water with appropriate filtration, providing adequate space for swimming, and monitoring water temperature and quality. They are cold water fish and do not require a heated aquarium, unless kept in extremely cold environments. Goldfish are often associated with various cultural and symbolic meanings. In some cultures, they symbolize good luck, prosperity, and abundance. They are also frequently featured in art, literature, and symbolism, representing various themes and ideas. Goldfish have a long history of domestication and are one of the most popular and enduring choices for ornamental fish keeping. Their wide range of colors and shapes, as well as their relatively low maintenance requirements, make them a favorite among hobbyists and aquatic enthusiasts. Bluefin tuna refers to several species of large, highly prized, and migratory tuna fish belonging to the Thamini tribe. These tuna are known for their impressive size, strength, and the rich, flavorful flesh they provide. There are 3 primary species of bluefin tuna. This species of bluefin tuna is found in the North Atlantic Ocean and is highly sought after for its sushi and sashimi-grade flesh. It is one of the largest bony fish and can reach lengths of up to 10 feet or more and weigh over 1,000 pounds. The Atlantic bluefin tuna is known for its deep red flesh and is particularly prized in Japanese cuisine. This species inhabits the Pacific Ocean and is also valued for its culinary qualities. Pacific bluefin tuna is highly migratory, traveling across the Pacific Ocean during its life cycle. Like its Atlantic counterpart, it is a sought-after ingredient in sushi and sashimi dishes. Found in the southern hemisphere's oceans, the southern bluefin tuna is another species of bluefin tuna. It is especially important in Australia and is highly prized in Japanese cuisine. This species is known for its rich flavor and fatty flesh. Key characteristics and facts about bluefin tuna. Bluefin tuna have a torpedo-shaped body with a metallic blue-black back and silver-white belly. They are built for speed, with powerful tails and streamlined bodies that enable them to swim at high speeds. Bluefin tuna are carnivorous predators, primarily feeding on smaller fish and squid. Their diet and high activity level contribute to the development of their sought-after flesh. Bluefin tuna undertake extensive migrations across oceans during their life cycles. They can travel thousands of miles, and their migratory patterns are still the subject of scientific research. Bluefin tuna populations have faced significant overfishing pressure due to their high market value, particularly in the sushi and sashimi industry. This has led to concerns about the sustainability of bluefin tuna populations, with efforts to regulate and conserve these species through fishing quotas and conservation measures. Bluefin tuna is renowned for its rich, flavorful, and fatty flesh, which is highly sought after in Japanese cuisine. It is a prized ingredient in sushi and sashimi dishes, as well as in other culinary preparations worldwide. Due to concerns about overfishing and population declines, there have been international efforts to conserve and manage bluefin tuna populations. Organizations, such as the International Commission for the Conservation of Atlantic Tunas, have established catch limits and regulations to help protect these species. Bluefin tuna are iconic and important fish species in both the culinary world and the realm of marine conservation, highlighting the challenges of balancing human consumption with sustainable fishing practices. Angelfish can refer to two different types of fish, both of which are popular in the aquarium trade, due to their striking appearance and unique characteristics. Freshwater angelfish are a species of cichlid native to the Amazon River basin in South America. They are known for their distinctive, laterally compressed bodies and long, trailing dorsal and anal fins. Some key characteristics and facts about freshwater angelfish include: freshwater angelfish come in a variety of color morphs and patterns, including silver, black, marbled, and various combinations of these colors. They often have vertical stripes that help them blend into their natural habitat among aquatic plants. Freshwater angelfish are a popular choice for freshwater aquariums due to their graceful appearance. They are relatively peaceful but may become territorial during breeding. These fish are generally peaceful, but can be territorial when breeding, or if they feel crowded in the aquarium. They are known for their interesting behaviors, including courtship displays and parental care. Freshwater angelfish are omnivorous and will accept a diet of high-quality flake or pellet food, as well as live or frozen foods like brine shrimp, bloodworms, and daphnia. Breeding freshwater angelfish can be a rewarding experience for aquarium enthusiasts. They are known for their distinctive courtship rituals and their habit of caring for their eggs and fry. Marine angelfish are a group of colorful, reef-dwelling fish found in tropical and subtropical oceans, particularly in coral reef ecosystems. They belong to the family Pomacanthidae. Some key characteristics and facts about marine angelfish include: marine angelfish are known for their vibrant and intricate color patterns, which vary by species. Their colors often include shades of blue, yellow, orange, and black. Marine angelfish are found in coral reefs and rocky areas, where they feed on a diet of algae, sponges, small invertebrates, and zooplankton. Sizes vary among species, but most marine angelfish range from about 6 to 16 inches in length. While marine angelfish are incredibly attractive, they are challenging to maintain in home aquariums due to specific dietary requirements, territorial behavior, and susceptibility to certain diseases. They are typically recommended for experienced saltwater aquarium hobbyists. Some species of marine angelfish are threatened by overfishing and habitat destruction, particularly those that are targeted for the aquarium trade. Sustainable and responsible practices are crucial to ensure the well-being of these species in their natural habitat. Both freshwater and marine angelfish are prized for their beauty and are popular choices for aquarium enthusiasts. However, it's essential for aquarium keepers to research the specific needs and care requirements of the angelfish species they choose to maintain to ensure their health and well-being. Piranhas are a group of freshwater fish found primarily in South American rivers and lakes, particularly in the Amazon basin. They are known for their sharp teeth, powerful jaws, and reputation as voracious predators. Here are some key characteristics and facts about piranhas. Piranhas are typically small to medium-sized fish, with most species ranging from about 6 to 24 inches in length. They have a streamlined body shape, a blunt head, and sharp, interlocking teeth and powerful jaws. Piranhas are carnivorous and have a reputation for being fierce predators. They primarily feed on fish, but they are opportunistic eaters, and will also consume other aquatic animals, including insects, crustaceans, and even small mammals or birds that venture into the water. Piranha teeth are one of their most distinctive features. They have sharp, triangular teeth that are serrated along the edges, allowing them to slice through prey efficiently. These teeth continually grow, and piranhas use grinding motions to keep them sharp. Piranhas are typically found in slow-moving or still waters, such as rivers, lakes, and flooded forests. They are most abundant in the Amazon River and its tributaries, where they can be found in large numbers. While piranhas are known for their predatory nature, they are not the indiscriminate killers often portrayed in movies and popular culture. They are more likely to be aggressive when they are in a group, hungry, or feel threatened. In many cases, piranhas are shy and will avoid humans. The reputation of piranhas as bloodthirsty killers is somewhat exaggerated. They have been involved in occasional attacks on humans, but such incidents are relatively rare. Most piranha attacks on humans occur when people enter the water with open wounds or bleeding, which can attract the attention of these fish. There are over 30 recognized species of piranhas, and their behaviors and characteristics can vary among species. Some are more solitary and less aggressive than others. While piranhas are not generally considered a threatened group of species, they can be negatively affected by habitat destruction and overfishing. In some areas, piranhas are targeted for their meat and are an important food source for local communities. In summary, piranhas are a group of carnivorous freshwater fish known for their sharp teeth and occasional aggressive behavior. While they are often associated with danger, they are an integral part of South American aquatic ecosystem, and their reputation as relentless killers is somewhat overstated. Responsible interaction with piranhas in their natural habitat is generally safe, but it's essential to exercise caution and respect when sharing their waters. The betta fish, scientifically known as Betta splendens, is a popular and colorful freshwater fish species that is widely kept as a pet in aquariums. Betta fish are known for their vibrant colors, elaborate fins, and relatively low maintenance care requirements. Here are some key characteristics and facts about betta fish. Betta fish are native to the shallow waters of Southeast Asia, including countries like Thailand, Cambodia, Laos, and Vietnam. In the wild, they inhabit slow-moving or stagnant waters, such as rice paddies, ponds, and small streams. Betta fish are known for their striking appearance. They have long, flowing fins and come in a wide variety of colors, including red, blue, green, yellow, and many shades in between. Some betta fish also exhibit iridescent or metallic sheens. One of the most distinguishing features of betta fish is their elaborate fins, which include the dorsal fin, anal fin, pelvic fins, and caudal fin. The caudal fin, in particular, can be very ornate, with various shapes and patterns. Betta fish are known for their territorial and sometimes aggressive behavior, especially when two male betta fish are placed in the same aquarium. Males may engage in aggressive displays and fights if they perceive each other as threats. Due to this aggression, it's generally recommended to keep male betta fish separately, or with compatible tank mates. Betta fish possess a unique adaptation called a labyrinth organ, which allows them to breathe air directly from the surface. This adaptation enables them to survive in oxygen-poor waters, such as stagnant ponds and puddles. Betta fish are carnivorous and primarily eat insects, larvae, and small aquatic creatures in the wild. In captivity, they can be fed a diet of high-quality commercial betta fish pellets, flakes, and occasional live or frozen foods like bloodworms and brine shrimp. Betta fish are typically kept in small aquariums or fish bowls, but it's essential to provide them with appropriate care. A properly maintained aquarium with a heater filter and suitable water conditions is important for their health. They thrive in warm water with a temperature range of 78 to 80 Fahrenheit. Betta fish are known for their unique courtship and breeding behaviors. Males build bubble nests on the water's surface, and the female releases eggs, that the male fertilizes and guards until they hatch. Breeding betta fish can be a complex and specialized endeavor. Over the years, selective breeding has led to the development of various betta fish varieties, including the half-moon, crowntail, flycat, and more. Each variety has its own distinct characteristics, including fin shapes and colors. Betta fish are cherished for their beauty and engaging behavior, making them a popular choice for aquarium enthusiasts and beginners. Proper care, attention to water quality, and an understanding of their social behavior are essential for ensuring the well-being of these captivating fish. Rainbow trout is a species of freshwater fish that is native to North America, but is now found in many parts of the world due to stocking and aquaculture. Rainbow trout is a popular game fish, and is also raised for commercial purposes, particularly for its delicious and nutritious flesh. Here are some key characteristics and facts about rainbow trout. Rainbow trout are known for their distinctive coloring, which includes a silvery body with a pinkish-red stripe running along their sides. They have a greenish-blue back, and their fins may have white leading edges. Rainbow trout can vary in size depending on their environment and diet. In the wild, they typically range from 6 to 12 inches in length, although they can grow larger. In aquaculture settings, rainbow trout can reach much larger sizes, often exceeding 2 feet in length and weighing several pounds. Rainbow trout are primarily found in cold, clear streams, rivers, and lakes. They are a cold water species and thrive in water temperatures ranging from 50 to 60 Fahrenheit. They require well-oxygenated water and are often associated with fast-flowing currents. Rainbow trout are opportunistic feeders and have a varied diet. They primarily feed on aquatic insects, small fish, crustaceans, and zooplankton. In aquaculture, their diet may be supplemented with commercial fish pellets. Rainbow trout are anadromous, which means they are born in fresh water, migrate to the ocean or larger bodies of water to grow and mature, and then return to fresh water to spawn. Not all rainbow trout populations follow this migratory pattern, as some remain in fresh water throughout their lives. Rainbow trout are a popular species for recreational fishing, and are stocked in many freshwater bodies for this purpose. They are known for their spirited fight when caught, making them a favorite among anglers. Rainbow trout is prized for its mild, delicate flavor and tender flesh. It is often prepared by grilling, baking, broiling, or smoking. It is considered a healthy choice due to its high protein content and omega-3 fatty acids. While rainbow trout populations are generally stable and healthy, there are efforts to protect and conserve wild populations, particularly those that are threatened by habitat destruction and competition with introduced species. Rainbow trout are versatile and widely enjoyed, whether as a challenging catch for sport fishermen, a delicious dish on restaurant menus, or a target for aquaculture. They are an important species for both ecological balance in their native habitats and economic purposes in various parts of the world. Swordfish is a large predatory fish species found in the warm waters of the Atlantic, Indian, and Pacific Oceans. These fish are known for their distinctive appearance, particularly their long sword-like bills, from which they derive their name. Here are some key characteristics and facts about swordfish. Swordfish have elongated, cylindrical bodies with a pointed snout that extends into a long, flat bill, which resembles a sword. This bill is used for slashing at and stunning prey, primarily small fish and squid. Swordfish have a streamlined body, a deeply forked tail, and a dark blue-black color on their upper sides fading to a silver-white belly. Swordfish are one of the largest species of bony fish in the ocean. They can grow to impressive size, with adults typically ranging from 6 to 11 feet in length, and weighing between 200 to 1,000 pounds. Some individuals have been known to reach even larger sizes. Swordfish are highly migratory, and can be found in both coastal and open ocean waters. They are known for their ability to dive to significant depth, often exceeding 1,000 meters to hunt for prey in the mesopelagic zone. Swordfish are carnivorous predators that primarily feed on a diet of fish and cephalopods. They are known for their speed and agility, which they use to hunt prey. Swordfish are solitary and are not known for forming schools or groups. They are strong and agile swimmers and are capable of bursts of speed when chasing prey or evading predators. Little is known about the reproductive habits of swordfish. They are believed to be oviparous, which means they lay eggs that hatch into larvae. These larvae eventually grow into juvenile swordfish. Swordfish is a popular seafood choice known for its firm, meaty texture and mild flavor. It is often grilled, broiled, baked, or pan-seared, and it can be served as steaks or fillets. Swordfish is a favorite in many seafood dishes around the world. Swordfish populations have faced concerns related to overfishing in various regions. To address this, there have been efforts to manage swordfish fisheries more sustainably through regulations, catch limits, and monitoring. Some organizations promote responsible fishing practices to protect swordfish populations and maintain their long-term health. Swordfish are valued not only for their culinary qualities, but also for their role in marine ecosystems as top predators. Responsible fishing practices and conservation efforts are important to ensure the sustainability of swordfish populations and the health of ocean ecosystems. The guppy, scientifically known as Pusillea reticulata, is a small and colorful freshwater fish species that is popular among aquarium enthusiasts. Guppies are known for their vibrant colors, lively personalities, and relatively straightforward care requirements. Here are some key characteristics and facts about guppies. Guppies are native to freshwater streams and rivers in South America, particularly in countries like Venezuela, Trinidad, and Guyana. They are also found in parts of the Caribbean. Guppies are known for their striking and diverse coloration. They come in a wide range of colors, including shades of red, blue, green, yellow, and orange, often with intricate patterns and markings. Male guppies are typically more colorful and have larger, more colorful fins than females. Guppies are small fish, with males typically reaching lengths of 1.5 to 2 inches, and females slightly larger, around 2 to 2.5 inches. Guppies are active and social fish that are known for their playful and inquisitive nature. They are typically peaceful, and can be kept in community aquariums with other non-aggressive fish species. Guppies are omnivorous and will readily accept a varied diet. They can be fed high-quality commercial fish flakes or pellets, as well as live or frozen foods like brine shrimp, bloodworms, and daphnia. Providing a balanced diet is essential for their health and vibrancy. Guppies are known for their prolific breeding habits. Females give birth to live fry rather than laying eggs. A single female guppy can produce multiple batches of fry from a single mating, and the fry are relatively self-sufficient and grow quickly. Guppies are suitable for beginner aquarists due to their low maintenance requirements. They thrive in well-maintained aquariums with appropriate water parameters, including a temperature range of 72 to 82 Fahrenheit, a potential of hydrogen level between 6.8 and 7.8, and good water quality. They appreciate densely planted aquariums and places to hide. Over the years, selective breeding has led to the development of various guppy varieties, each with its own unique coloration and fin shapes. Some popular guppy strains include the fancy guppy, the Endler's live-bearer, and the Moscow guppy, among others. Guppies are often used in educational settings to teach concepts related to genetics and selective breeding. Their rapid reproduction and visible genetic variations make them an excellent model organism for studying inheritance patterns. Guppies are beloved for their colorful appearance and easy care, making them a popular choice for both beginner and experienced aquarium hobbyists. Their lively personalities and prolific breeding can add excitement to a home aquarium, and their diverse coloration makes them a visually appealing addition to any tank. Koi carp, often referred to simply as koi, are a type of ornamental fish that are highly prized and popular in the world of pond and water garden enthusiasts. Koi are a colorful and decorative variety of the common carp that have been selectively bred for their striking colors and patterns. Here are some key characteristics and facts about koi carp. Koi carp originated in Japan several centuries ago, where they were bred from common carp for their ornamental qualities. Over time, koi breeding has become an art form in Japan, and they are now considered a symbol of luck, prosperity, and perseverance in Japanese culture. Koi are known for their vibrant colors and patterns, which can include shades of white, black, red, orange, yellow, blue, and green, among others. They often have unique and intricate patterns, such as spots, stripes, or a combination of both. The arrangement and quality of these colors and patterns can vary widely among individual koi. There are numerous koi varieties, each with its own name and distinct characteristics. Some of the most popular koi varieties include Kohaku, Sank Showa, and Teisho Sank, among others. Koi can grow to various sizes depending on factors like genetics, water quality, and the size of their pond. They typically range from 6 inches to 36 inches or more in length. With proper care and a suitable environment, koi can live for several decades. Some well-cared-for koi have been known to live for over 50 years. Koi are social and peaceful fish that can coexist with other fish species in garden ponds. They are known for their graceful and slow movements, which add to their aesthetic appeal. Koi are typically kept in outdoor, garden ponds or water gardens. These ponds should be adequately sized, properly filtered, and well maintained to provide the best living conditions for the fish. Koi are omnivorous and will eat a varied diet. They consume a combination of commercial koi pellets, fish flakes, vegetables, and occasional treats like bloodworms and brine shrimp. In addition to their role as ornamental fish, koi have symbolic significance in various cultures. In Japan, they represent perseverance and good fortune. In other cultures, they may symbolize longevity and transformation. Koi enthusiasts often participate in koi shows, where their fish are judged based on factors like color, pattern, and body shape. These shows can be highly competitive, and winning koi can be very valuable. Koi carp are beloved for their beauty and cultural significance, and they have a dedicated following among pond keepers and hobbyists worldwide. Their colorful presence adds a tranquil and aesthetically pleasing element to garden ponds and water features. Catfish is a diverse group of freshwater and some saltwater fish species, known for their distinctive whisker-like barbels on their faces, which resemble the whiskers of a cat. Catfish are found on almost every continent and are known for their adaptability to various aquatic environments. Here are some key characteristics and facts about catfish. Catfish are known for their elongated bodies, flattened heads, and prominent barbels. These barbels contain taste buds and are used to help catfish look at food in dark or murky waters. Catfish can vary widely in size, with some species being relatively small, and others growing to several feet in length. Catfish inhabit a wide range of aquatic environments, including freshwater rivers, lakes, ponds, and streams. Some catfish species have adapted to brackish or even saltwater habitats, while others are strictly freshwater fish. Catfish are typically omnivorous, meaning they eat both plant and animal matter. Their diet can include all-day aquatic plants, small fish, insects, crustaceans, and detritus. Some larger catfish are known to be opportunistic predators, preying on smaller fish. Catfish are often bottom dwellers, spending much of their time near the substrate. They have a nocturnal feeding behavior, becoming more active at night when they search for food. There are thousands of catfish species worldwide, belonging to several families, including the Ictaluridae, Celeridae, and Camelodidae, among others. Each family and species may have unique characteristics and adaptations. Catfish are commonly consumed as food in many parts of the world. Farming of catfish, particularly species like the channel catfish in the United States and the African catfish in Africa, has become a significant industry. Catfish are popular targets for recreational fishing due to their size and strength. Catfish anglers often use a variety of baits and techniques, including stink baits, cut bait, and bottom fishing rigs. While many catfish species are abundant and not threatened, some larger and more specialized species may face conservation concerns due to habitat destruction, pollution, overfishing, and the introduction of non-native species. Conservation efforts are essential to protect these species and their ecosystems. Catfish have been the subject of various myths and legends around the world. Stories of giant catfish lurking in the depths of rivers and lakes have captured the human imagination for centuries. Overall, catfish are a diverse and interesting group of fish that play important roles in aquatic ecosystems and are valued for their culinary appeal and sport fishing opportunities. The electric eel is a unique and fascinating species of fish found in the Amazon and Orinoco River basins of South America. Despite its name, it is not a true eel but rather a night fish, belonging to the family Electrophoridae. Electric eels are known for their ability to generate electric shocks, which they use for various purposes. Here are some key characteristics and facts about electric eels. Electric eels possess a specialized electric organ that makes up approximately 80% of their body. This organ is made up of thousands of specialized cells called electrocytes. By coordinating the firing of these cells, electric eels can produce electric shocks. Electric eels use electric shocks primarily for navigation, communication, and hunting. They can emit both low-voltage and high-voltage electric discharges. Low-voltage shocks are often used for navigation and communication, while high-voltage shocks are employed for stunning or paralyzing prey, and for self-defense against predators. Electric eels are typically found in slow-moving or stagnant waters, such as rivers, swamps, and marshes in the Amazon and Orinoco River basins. They are air-breathing fish and must come to the water's surface to breathe. Electric eels are among the largest nightfish species, with individuals reaching lengths of 6 to 8 feet and weighing up to 20 pounds. Their diet primarily consists of fish and small invertebrates. They use their electric shocks to look at prey hidden in the muddy waters of their habitat. Electric eels are typically solitary and secretive creatures. They are more active at night and spend much of their time hiding in submerged vegetation and crevices. Electric eels are known to lay their eggs in burrows or nests constructed from plant material. The males guard the nests and protect the eggs and young eels until they are ready to fend for themselves. Electric eels are not currently listed as threatened or endangered species. However, habitat destruction and environmental changes in their native regions can impact their populations. Electric eels have been the subject of extensive scientific research. Due to their unique electric abilities, they have contributed to the development of electrical engineering and bioelectricity studies. Electric eels are remarkable creatures with a set of abilities that set them apart from most other fish species. Their electric organ, which allows them to generate electric shocks, is an incredible adaptation for survival in the murky waters of their habitats, where visibility is limited. While they are not commonly kept in captivity due to their size and specialized needs, they continue to be of scientific interest and intrigue. Lionfish refers to a group of venomous marine fish belonging to the genus Pteroid and the family Scorpionidae. These fish are known for their striking appearance, featuring vibrant colors, ornate fins, and venomous spines. Lionfish are native to the Indo-Pacific region, but have become invasive species in parts of the Atlantic Ocean, particularly in the Caribbean, and along the southeastern coast of the United States. Here are some key characteristics and facts about lionfish. Lionfish are characterized by their flamboyant appearance. They have long, fan-like pectoral fins that resemble the mane of a lion, which is how they get their name. Their body is covered in colorful stripes, spots, and bands, with colors ranging from red, brown, and yellow to black and white. One of the most distinctive features of lionfish is their venomous spines, which are located on their dorsal, pelvic, and anal fins. These spines are used for defense and contain a potent venom that can cause painful stings in humans and can be dangerous to some extent. Lionfish can vary in size, with adults typically ranging from 6 to 15 inches in length, although some individuals can grow larger. In their native range, lionfish are typically found in coral reefs and rocky areas of the Indo-Pacific. However, due to their invasive status, they have also been observed in the Atlantic Ocean, where they have adapted to a wide range of habitats, including reefs, shipwrecks, and rocky bottoms. Lionfish are carnivorous predators and feed on a variety of small fish and invertebrates. Their feeding behavior and rapid reproduction rate have made them a significant concern in invaded ecosystems, as they can disrupt local food chains. Lionfish have become a major invasive species problem in parts of the Atlantic Ocean. They were likely introduced through the release of aquarium specimens, and their populations have exploded in the absence of natural predators. This invasion has had detrimental effects on native marine life and ecosystems. Lionfish are prolific breeders, with females releasing thousands of eggs at a time. The eggs are buoyant and can drift in the water for several days before hatching into larvae. Their rapid reproductive rate contributes to their invasive success. Efforts to control lionfish populations in invaded areas include culling by divers, encouraging lionfish hunting, and promoting their consumption as a seafood delicacy. These efforts aim to reduce the negative impact of lionfish on native species and habitats. Despite their venomous spines, lionfish are considered a delicacy in some regions. When prepared properly, their white, flaky flesh is considered tasty and safe to eat. Lionfish are both admired for their beauty and feared for their invasiveness. Their successful colonization of Atlantic waters highlights the ecological challenges posed by invasive species, and the need for conservation and management strategies to mitigate their impact on native ecosystems. The Siamese fighting fish, scientifically known as Betta splendens, is a small and colorful freshwater fish native to Southeast Asia, particularly Thailand, Cambodia, Laos, and Vietnam. Siamese fighting fish are renowned for their vibrant colors, elaborate fins, and unique behaviors. Here are some key characteristics and facts about Siamese fighting fish. Siamese fighting fish are known for their striking and diverse coloration, which includes shades of red, blue, green, yellow, and orange, often with intricate patterns and markings. They have long, flowing fins, and males are typically more colorful and have larger fins than females. These fish are relatively small, with males reaching lengths of about 2 to 2.5 inches, and females slightly smaller. Siamese fighting fish are named for their territorial and sometimes aggressive nature, especially among males. When two male bettas are placed in the same aquarium, they may engage in aggressive displays and fights, often involving fin flaring and occasional physical combat. Due to this aggression, it's generally recommended to keep male bettas separately, or with compatible tank mates. Siamese fighting fish are native to slow-moving or stagnant waters, such as rice paddies, ponds, and small streams in their native Southeast Asian habitats. They are air-breathing fish and have a specialized organ called a labyrinth, which allows them to breathe air directly from the surface. Siamese fighting fish are carnivorous and primarily eat insects, larvae, and small aquatic creatures in the wild. In captivity, they can be fed a diet of high-quality commercial betta fish pellets or flakes, as well as live or frozen foods like bloodworms and brine shrimp. Betta fish are known for their unique courtship and breeding behaviors. Males build bubble nests on the water's surface, and the female releases eggs that the male fertilizes and guards until they hatch. Raising betta fry can be a rewarding but somewhat challenging endeavor. Siamese fighting fish are commonly kept in home aquariums. Proper care includes providing a suitable environment with appropriate water parameters, such as a temperature range of 78 to 80 Fahrenheit, a potential of hydrogen level between 6.8 and 7.8, and good water quality. Bettas also appreciate hiding places and the occasional addition of live or silk plants. Through selective breeding, many different betta varieties have been developed, each with its own unique fin shapes, color patterns, and markings. Some popular betta varieties include the half-moon, crown-tail, placket, and veil-tail, among others. Siamese fighting fish are a popular choice among aquarium enthusiasts due to their stunning appearance and engaging behavior. While they require proper care to thrive and avoid health issues, they can be a rewarding addition to a well-maintained aquarium. Responsible ownership and consideration of their territorial nature are essential for ensuring their well-being. The tiger shark is a large and powerful species of shark, known for its distinctive appearance and voracious feeding habits. It is one of the big three dangerous shark species, alongside the great white shark and the bull shark, due to its potential to pose a threat to humans. Here are some key characteristics and facts about tiger sharks. Tiger sharks are named for the dark, vertical stripes, or tiger stripes, that are often visible on their bodies when they are young. As they mature, these stripes tend to fade, and their bodies become more uniformly gray, or brownish on top, with a white or yellowish underbelly. They have a broad, blunt head with a mouth full of sharp, serrated teeth. Tiger sharks are one of the largest shark species and can grow to impressive sizes. Adult tiger sharks typically range from 10 to 14 feet in length, although some individuals can exceed 16 feet or more. They can weigh anywhere from 850 to 2,200 pounds. Tiger sharks are found in warm, tropical and temperate waters around the world. They inhabit a variety of marine environments, including coral reefs, coastal areas, and the open ocean. They are known to swim at various depths, from the surface to significant depths, and are often encountered in waters close to shore. Tiger sharks are opportunistic predators and have a reputation for being scavengers. Their diet is incredibly varied and includes fish, seals, turtles, seabirds, and even other sharks. They are known to eat marine debris, garbage, and sometimes even inedible objects like license plates and tires. Tiger sharks are known for their bold and aggressive feeding behavior. They are capable of hunting actively, but are also attracted to the scent of carrion, which can lead them to scavenging opportunities. They are solitary predators and may migrate over long distances in search of food. Tiger sharks are ovoviviparous, which means they give birth to live young rather than laying eggs. The embryos develop inside the mother's body, and when they are sufficiently developed, they are born as fully formed pups. A female tiger shark can give birth to a litter of around 10 to 80 pups. Tiger sharks, like many shark species, face threats due to overfishing, habitat loss, and bycatch in fisheries. Their slow reproductive rate and late maturity make them vulnerable to population declines. Some regions have implemented conservation measures to protect tiger shark populations. While tiger sharks are responsible for a relatively small number of shark attacks on humans compared to some other species, they are considered potentially dangerous due to their size, power, and scavenging behavior. Shark attacks involving tiger sharks are often a result of mistaken identity or curiosity. Tiger sharks play a significant role in marine ecosystems as top predators, helping to maintain the balance of marine life. Their distinctive appearance and reputation as formidable predators have made them subjects of fascination and study among marine biologists and shark enthusiasts. The red snapper is a popular and highly sought-after saltwater fish species, found in the warmer waters of the Atlantic Ocean, particularly in the Gulf of Mexico and the southeastern United States. It is known for its delicious white flesh and is a prized catch in recreational and commercial fishing. Here are some key characteristics and facts about red snapper. Red snappers have a striking appearance with a reddish-pink hue on their upper body, and a lighter pink or silver-white underside. They have a streamlined body shape, a pointed head, and a prominent, sloping forehead. Their large eyes have a red appearance, and they have sharp teeth. Red snappers can vary in size, but they typically reach lengths of 20 to 30 inches, and weigh between 5 to 15 pounds. Some individuals can grow even larger, with the potential to exceed 40 inches, and weigh over 50 pounds. Red snappers are typically found in offshore waters, inhabiting reefs, wrecks, and rocky bottoms in depths, ranging from 30 to 300 feet. They prefer areas with structures that provide shelter and hunting opportunities. Red snappers are carnivorous and have a varied diet that includes fish, crustaceans, and cephalopods. They are opportunistic predators and use their sharp teeth to capture prey. Red snappers are social fish that often form schools, especially during their juvenile stages. They are known for their cautious and wary behavior, which can make them challenging to catch. Red snappers are known to spawn during the warmer months, with peak spawning occurring in the summer. They release their eggs into the open water, and the eggs hatch into larvae. Young red snappers spend the early part of their lives in off-shore nursery, before moving to deeper waters as they mature. Red snapper is highly prized in the culinary world due to its firm, white flesh and mild, sweet flavor. It is a versatile fish and can be prepared in various ways, including grilling, baking, frying, or steaming. It is commonly used in a wide range of seafood dishes and is often featured on restaurant menus. The red snapper population in some regions has faced challenges due to overfishing. As a result, there are often regulations and catch limits in place to protect and manage these populations. Conservation efforts aim to ensure the sustainability of red snapper stocks. Red snapper is not only a favorite among anglers, but also a valuable commercial species. Its delicious taste and versatility in cooking make it a sought-after ingredient in many seafood dishes. Conservation measures are essential to protect the long-term health of red snapper population and the sustainability of fisheries. Hammerhead sharks are a unique group of sharks characterized by their distinctive, flattened heads that resemble a hammer or a mallet, hence their name. These sharks belong to the family Sphyrnidae and are known for their distinctive and often bizarre appearance. There are several species of hammerhead sharks, with the great hammerhead and the scalloped hammerhead being among the most well-known. Here are some key characteristics and facts about hammerhead sharks. The most striking feature of hammerhead sharks is their elongated, chit-shaped head. Known as the cephalofoil, this structure is broad and flattened. With the eyes and nostrils located at the ends of the hammer, the wide head provides several advantages, including improved sensory perception and greater maneuverability. Hammerhead sharks come in various sizes depending on the species. They typically range from 3 to 20 feet in length. The great hammerhead can be one of the largest, with individuals reaching lengths of up to 20 feet. Hammerhead sharks are found in warm, tropical, and temperate waters around the world. They inhabit a variety of marine environments, including coastal areas, coral reefs, and the open ocean. Some species are known to undertake long-distance migrations. Hammerhead sharks are carnivorous predators, and their diet primarily consists of fish, rays, squid, and crustaceans. Their unique head shape is thought to aid in locating and capturing prey, as it provides a wider field of vision and more sensitive electroreceptors. The hammerhead's unique head shape is equipped with a higher density of specialized sensory organs called ampullae lorenzini. These sensory structures allow hammerhead sharks to detect electrical signals produced by the muscles and nerves of their prey, making them highly skilled hunters. Some hammerhead shark species are known to form schools, while others are solitary. Schools can range from a few individuals to several hundred sharks. Social behavior may provide advantages in terms of hunting and defense against predators. Hammerhead sharks reproduce through internal fertilization. Mating typically occurs during the spring and early summer months, with females giving birth to live pups. The number of pups varies by species, with some producing as few as a dozen pups, while others can give birth to over 30. Many hammerhead shark species face conservation challenges due to overfishing. They are often targeted for their fins, which are used in shark fin soup, a delicacy in some Asian countries. Conservation efforts, including fishing regulations and marine protected areas, are in place to protect these sharks and manage their populations sustainably. Hammerhead sharks are remarkable creatures known for their unique head shape and impressive sensory capabilities. While they are not typically considered dangerous to humans, their populations face threats from overfishing and habitat degradation, highlighting the need for conservation and sustainable management of these fascinating marine predators. Discus fish, often simply referred to as discus, are a species of cichlid, native to the Amazon River basin in South America. They are highly regarded in the aquarium hobby for their vibrant colors, graceful appearance, and unique disc-shaped bodies. Discus are known for their striking beauty and are considered one of the most captivating freshwater fish species. Here are some key characteristics and facts about discus fish. Discus fish have a distinctive circular or disc-shaped body, which sets them apart from many other fish species. They have a tall, laterally compressed body, giving them a disc-like appearance. Their coloration varies widely and includes shades of red, blue, green, brown, and orange, often with intricate patterns and markings. The colors and patterns can change with the fish's mood and health. Adult discus fish typically reach sizes of 6 to 10 inches in diameter, with some individuals growing slightly larger. In the wild, the discus fish are found in slow-moving or still waters within the Amazon River basin. They inhabit areas with submerged vegetation, submerged tree roots, and leaf litter, where they find shelter and breeding sites. Discus fish are known for their calm and peaceful demeanor. They are social and often form small groups or pairs in their natural habitat. They are not aggressive and are best kept with other non-aggressive fish species in community aquariums. Discus fish are omnivorous and feed on a varied diet that includes small invertebrates, insects, crustaceans, and plant matter. In captivity, they can be fed high-quality commercial fish pellets, flakes, and live or frozen foods like bloodworms and brine shrimp. Keeping discus fish requires attention to water quality and tank conditions. They thrive in aquariums with stable water parameters, including a temperature range of 82 to 88 Fahrenheit, soft and slightly acidic water, and good filtration. Frequent water changes are often necessary to maintain optimal water quality. Breeding discus fish can be a rewarding but challenging endeavor. They are known for their intricate courtship behaviors and their practice of caring for their young. Discus parents take turns guarding their eggs and fry, secreting a nutritious mucus on their skin for the fry to feed on during their early stages. Through selective breeding, many different discus varieties have been developed, each with its own unique coloration and markings. Some popular varieties include the red discus, blue discus, and pigeon blood discus, among others. While discus fish are not considered endangered in the wild, some populations may be threatened by habitat destruction and overcollection for the aquarium trade. Responsible and sustainable collection practices are important to protect their natural habitats. Discus fish are beloved by aquarium enthusiasts for their beauty and unique body shape. They require diligent care and attention to create a suitable environment in captivity, but their stunning appearance and peaceful nature make them a prized addition to many home aquariums. The clown loach, often simply referred to as clown loach, is a popular and colorful freshwater fish species that is native to Southeast Asia, particularly Indonesia and surrounding areas. Clown loaches are well known and loved by aquarium enthusiasts for their vibrant colors, playful behavior, and distinctive appearance. Here are some key characteristics and facts about clown loaches. Clown loaches are known for their striking appearance, featuring bright orange to reddish-brown bodies adorned with 3 thick, black vertical stripes running from head to tail. Their bodies are elongated and laterally compressed, and they have sharp spines under their eyes. These fish can grow to a significant size when given proper care and a suitable environment. Adult clown loaches typically reach lengths of 6 to 12 inches or more, depending on their age and living conditions. Clown loaches are social and active fish that are often seen in groups in their natural habitat. They are known for their playful and curious behavior, making them entertaining additions to home aquariums. They are peaceful toward other fish species but may display some aggression and dominance behaviors within their own group. In the wild, clown loaches are typically found in slow-moving rivers and streams, often among submerged tree roots and vegetation. They prefer warm waters with stable conditions and moderate water flow. Clown loaches are omnivorous and have a varied diet. They eat both plant matter and small invertebrates in the wild. In captivity, they can be fed high-quality commercial fish pellets, flakes, live or frozen foods like brine shrimp and bloodworms, and blanched vegetables like zucchini and spinach. Keeping clown loaches requires a well-maintained aquarium with appropriate water parameters. They prefer a temperature range of 78 to 86 Fahrenheit, slightly acidic to neutral potential of hydrogen, and good water quality. They appreciate hiding places and ample swimming space. Clown loaches are best kept in groups of at least 3 or more individuals. They are showing fish, and being in a group helps reduce stress and allows them to display their natural behaviors. Breeding clown loaches in captivity is challenging, and successful breeding is relatively rare. They are egg layers, and breeding usually involves stimulating the natural rainy season conditions of their native habitat. While there is primarily one species of clown loach, there can be some variation in their coloration and patterns. Selective breeding has also produced some unique variations, but these are less common than the wild-type clown loaches. Clown loaches are popular choices for community aquariums due to their striking appearance and engaging behavior. Their playful and social nature, combined with their unique coloring, makes them a favorite among aquarium enthusiasts. However, they do require attention to water quality and appropriate tank mates to thrive in captivity. Atlantic cod, scientifically known as Gadus morphea, is a well-known species of fish that inhabits the cold waters of the North Atlantic Ocean. It is one of the most economically and culturally significant fish species in the world, and has played a crucial role in the history of fisheries and trade. Here are some key characteristics and facts about Atlantic cod. Atlantic cod have elongated bodies with 3 prominent dorsal fins and 2 anal fins. They typically have a brownish-gray to greenish-blue coloration on their upper body and a lighter, often silvery white belly. The coloration can vary depending on their habitat and age. Atlantic cod can vary in size, with adult individuals typically ranging from 2 to 3 feet in length. However, some cod can grow larger, exceeding 4 feet and weighing up to 100 pounds. Atlantic cod are found in the cold, temperate waters of the North Atlantic Ocean. They inhabit a range of environments, from shallow coastal waters to deeper offshore areas. They are known to migrate seasonally, moving to warmer waters in the winter and returning to colder waters in the summer. Cod are carnivorous and primarily feed on a diet of fish, crustaceans, and cephalopods. They are opportunistic predators and are known to eat a variety of prey, including herring, capelin, shrimp, and squid. Atlantic cod reproduce through external fertilization. Spawning typically occurs in late winter or early spring, with females releasing large quantities of eggs into the water, which are then fertilized by the males. Cod eggs are buoyant and drift in the ocean currents until they hatch into larvae. Atlantic cod has been a staple of global fisheries for centuries. It has been a significant source of food and income for coastal communities in North America and Europe. Cod fisheries have played a vital role in the development of trade and exploration. The history of cod fisheries includes episodes of overfishing and depletion of cod stock. The collapse of the Grand Banks cod fishery off Newfoundland, Canada, in the early 1990s is a well-known example. Overfishing and habitat degradation have led to the decline of cod populations in some areas. Efforts have been made to conserve and manage cod populations through measures such as fishing quotas, closed seasons, and size limits. These regulations aim to protect cod stocks and ensure their long-term sustainability. Atlantic cod is known for its mild, white flesh and is a popular choice for cooking in various cuisines. It is commonly used in dishes like fish and chips, codfish cakes, and baked cod. Cod liver oil extracted from the liver of cod is also known for its nutritional benefits. Atlantic cod remains an iconic and historically significant fish species, and its conservation and sustainable management continue to be important for both environmental and economic reasons. The emperor angelfish is a striking and highly coveted marine fish species that is native to the warm tropical waters of the Indo-Pacific region. It is widely recognized and admired for its vibrant colors, distinctive patterns, and elegant appearance, making it a popular choice among marine aquarium enthusiasts. Here are some key characteristics and facts about the emperor angelfish. Emperor angelfish are known for their striking and ornate appearance. They have a circular, disc-shaped body with a bold and intricate color pattern. The body is predominantly royal blue with vibrant yellow and white vertical stripes, which extend from the head to the caudal fin. A bright yellow ring surrounds their eyes, and they have a small mouth opening with tiny teeth. Adult emperor angelfish typically reach lengths of 12 to 16 inches, although larger individuals have been reported in the wild. Emperor angelfish are typically found in coral reefs and rocky coastal areas in the Indo-Pacific region. They inhabit depths ranging from shallow waters to around 100 feet, and are often associated with rich coral formations. Emperor angelfish are omnivorous, feeding on a variety of foods in the wild, including algae, small invertebrates, and coral polyps. In captivity, they can be fed a diet of high-quality marine pellets, frozen foods like mysis shrimp, and brined shrimp, and some plant matter to mimic their natural diet. These angelfish are known for their territorial behavior, especially during the breeding season. They are solitary or form pairs when mating, but otherwise, they are often seen as solitary individuals or in small groups. Emperor angelfish are oviparous, which means they reproduce by laying eggs. Males and females engage in courtship rituals, during which they perform a series of behaviors, including swimming together and changing colors. After mating, the female releases eggs into the water column, and the male fertilizes them. The eggs are left to drift in the currents. While emperor angelfish are highly sought after for marine aquariums, due to their beauty, they are challenging to keep in captivity. They require large, well-established aquariums with stable water parameters, excellent filtration, and a diet that closely resembles their natural food sources. Additionally, they can become territorial and aggressive, making tankmate selection important. Emperor angelfish populations are not currently classified as threatened or endangered. However, like many marine species, they face potential threats from habitat degradation, overfishing for the aquarium trade, and climate change-related impacts on coral reefs. Emperor angelfish are iconic residents of coral reefs in the Indo-Pacific, and their stunning appearance makes them a symbol of the vibrant biodiversity found in these marine ecosystems. Proper care and responsible collection practices are essential to ensure the well-being of emperor angelfish in both their natural habitat and in captivity. The manta ray is a large and graceful species of ray. known for its distinctive appearance and gentle nature. Mantis are marine animals that belong to the family Mobilidae, and they are closely related to stingrays. They are famous for their enormous size, impressive wing-like pectoral fins, and filter-feeding behavior. Here are some key characteristics and facts about manta rays. Manta rays have a flattened body with a wide, diamond-shaped disc. They are typically dark gray to black on their dorsal side, and lighter on their ventral side. Their most distinctive features are their broad, triangular pectoral fins, which can span up to 23 feet or more, making them one of the largest species of rays. Manta rays are among the largest species of rays in the world. Adult mantis can reach widths of 10 to 23 feet or more, and they can weigh anywhere from 1,000 to 5,300 pounds or more. Mantis are found in tropical and subtropical oceans around the world. They are often associated with coral reefs, where they feed on plankton and small fish. Mantis are known to migrate over long distances and can be found in both shallow and deep waters. Manta rays are filter feeders, primarily consuming plankton, small fish, and other microscopic organisms. They swim with their mouths wide open, allowing water to flow over their gills, while filtering out food particles with comb-like structures called gill rakers. Mantis are known for their graceful and slow movements in the water. They often perform acrobatic somersaults and barrel rolls, which may help them rid themselves of parasites, or stimulate plankton into aggregating for easier feeding. Manta rays are ovoviviparous, which means they give birth to live young after internal fertilization. They typically give birth to 1 or 2 pups, known as pups, every 2 to 5 years. Manta pups are miniature versions of the adults and are self-sufficient upon birth. Manta rays are listed as vulnerable or endangered by the International Union for Conservation of Nature due to threats such as bycatch in fisheries, habitat degradation, and the demand for their gill plates in traditional Chinese medicine. Many countries have implemented conservation measures to protect manta rays, including bans on hunting and fishing. Manta rays are popular subjects for ecotourism activities such as snorkeling and diving. Many marine destinations offer opportunities to swim with or observe these gentle giants in their natural habitat, and responsible tourism practices help promote their conservation. Manta rays are magnificent and charismatic marine creatures, and their presence in the world's oceans contributes to the rich biodiversity of coral reef ecosystems. Efforts to protect and conserve these gentle giants are essential for their survival and the health of marine environments where they play a significant role as filter feeders. The clown triggerfish is a striking and highly recognizable species of triggerfish, known for its vibrant colors, unique patterns, and distinctive appearance. It is a marine fish found in warm tropical waters of the Indo-Pacific region, and is a popular choice for marine aquarium enthusiasts. Here are some key characteristics and facts about the clown triggerfish. The clown triggerfish is known for its bold and eye-catching appearance. It has a robust oval-shaped body with bright yellow, blue, and black coloration. The head and face are covered in a pattern of bold lines and spots, which give it its distinctive clown appearance. The eyes are surrounded by a bright yellow ring, and the mouth is equipped with strong beak-like teeth. Adult clown triggerfish can reach lengths of up to 20 inches or more, making them one of the larger species of triggerfish. Clown triggerfish are typically found in coral reefs and rocky areas in the Indo-Pacific region, including the Red Sea. They inhabit shallow coastal waters and are often seen in areas with abundant coral formations. These fish are known for their territorial and sometimes aggressive behavior. They are solitary in nature and often establish and defend territories within their home range. Clown triggerfish are known to be curious and may investigate objects, including potential threats or divers that enter their territory. Clown triggerfish have a varied diet that includes a range of prey items, such as crustaceans, sea urchins, mollusks, and small fish. They use their strong beak-like teeth to crush and consume hard-shelled prey. Clown triggerfish reproduce through external fertilization. Males and females engage in courtship behaviors, during which they swim together and communicate through body movements. After the female releases eggs into the water, the male fertilizes them. The fertilized eggs then drift in the open water until they hatch into larvae. While clown triggerfish are sought after for marine aquariums, due to their striking appearance, they are challenging to keep in captivity. They require large aquariums with stable water parameters, excellent filtration, and hiding places. Their territorial and potentially aggressive behavior can limit tank bed compatibility. Clown triggerfish are not currently classified as threatened or endangered. However, like many marine species, they face potential threats from habitat degradation, overfishing for the aquarium trade, and the impacts of climate change on coral reef ecosystems. Clown triggerfish are charismatic and visually stunning marine creatures that contribute to the vibrant biodiversity of coral reef environments. Responsible collection practices and proper care in captivity are essential to ensure the well-being of clown triggerfish and their continued presence in marine ecosystems. The blacktip reef shark is a common and widely recognized species of shark found in warm, tropical waters throughout the Indo-Pacific region. It is named for the distinctive black tips on its dorsal fin, pectoral fins, and caudal fin. Blacktip reef sharks are often associated with coral reefs and are known for their elegant and streamlined appearance. Here are some key characteristics and facts about blacktip reef sharks. Blacktip reef sharks have a slender, streamlined body with a gray to brownish-gray coloration on their dorsal side and a lighter coloration on their ventral side. Their most distinctive feature is the black tips on their fins, which are particularly noticeable on the first dorsal fin and the caudal fin. These black markings are more prominent in younger individuals and tend to fade with age. Adult blacktip reef sharks typically range in size from 4 to 6 feet in length, although some individuals can grow larger, reaching lengths of up to 7.5 feet. Blacktip reef sharks are primarily found in shallow coastal waters near coral reefs and lagoons in the Indo-Pacific region. They prefer warm water temperatures and are often seen in waters less than 100 feet deep. These sharks are carnivorous and primarily feed on a diet of small fish, cephalopods, and crustaceans. They are skilled hunters and are known for their agility and speed when pursuing prey. Blacktip reef sharks are known for their timid and skittish behavior, especially when approached by divers or other potential threats. They are generally not considered dangerous to humans, and are more likely to swim away from humans than to engage in aggressive behavior. However, like all wild animals, they should be treated with respect and observed from a safe distance. Blacktip reef sharks reproduce through internal fertilization. Mating typically occurs in the spring and summer months, with females giving birth to live young. A female can give birth to a litter of 2 to 5 pups, which are born with fully developed senses and are immediately independent. Blacktip reef sharks are currently listed as near threatened by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. They face various threats, including habitat degradation, overfishing, and bycatch in commercial fishing operations. Conservation efforts aim to protect these sharks and manage their populations sustainably. Blacktip reef sharks play an important ecological role in coral reef ecosystems as top predators. They help maintain the balance of reef community by controlling populations of smaller fish and maintaining the health of coral reefs. Blacktip reef sharks are often a highlight of underwater encounters for divers and snorkelers in tropical reef environments. Their striking appearance, timid behavior, and ecological importance make them valuable and fascinating members of coral reef ecosystems. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure their continued presence in these marine habitats. Zebrafish is a small freshwater fish species that has gained significant popularity in the fields of biology, genetics, and developmental research. These fish are native to South Asia, specifically the Ganges region in India, and they have become a valuable model organism in scientific research for several reasons. One of the most remarkable features of zebrafish is their transparent embryos. This transparency allows researchers to easily observe and study the development of organs and tissues in real time, which is challenging with many other organisms. Zebrafish embryos develop rapidly, making them ideal for studying developmental processes. Within hours of fertilization, the zebrafish embryos begin to develop and form recognizable structures. Zebrafish share many genetic similarities with other vertebrates, including humans. They have a similar set of genes responsible for controlling development and regulating various physiological processes. Zebrafish are relatively easy to breed in laboratory settings. They produce a large number of eggs with each breeding pair, and the embryos are externally fertilized, making it easier to manipulate genetic traits and study development. Zebrafish have the remarkable ability to regenerate various tissues and organs throughout their lives, including their fins, heart, and central nervous system. This regenerative capacity has led to research on tissue repair and regeneration. Zebrafish are used to study a wide range of diseases, including cancer, cardiovascular diseases, and neurological disorders. Their small size and transparency allow researchers to visualize disease processes and test potential treatments. Zebrafish are used in drug discovery and screening. Researchers can expose zebrafish to potential drugs and observe their effect on various biological processes, providing insights into drug efficacy and safety. Zebrafish are also used in environmental research to study the effects of pollutants and toxins on aquatic ecosystems and the potential impact on human health. Due to their versatility and contribution to scientific advancements, zebrafish have become a valuable tool in various research disciplines, including genetics, developmental biology, neuroscience, and disease modeling. Their use has led to a better understanding of fundamental biological processes and the development of potential treatments for various human diseases. Oscars, often referred to as Oscar fish, are a popular and distinctive species of freshwater fish known for their unique appearance and personality. They belong to the cichlid family and are native to the Amazon River basin in South America. Oscars have become sought-after aquarium pets due to their striking colors and interactive behavior. Here are some key characteristics and facts about Oscars. Oscars have a robust and oval-shaped body with a distinctive, tall dorsal fin and a long anal fin. They are known for their vibrant coloration, which can include shades of red, orange, yellow, and black. The most recognizable feature is a black spot, often ringed in orange or red, located on the caudal peduncle. This spot resembles an eye, which has earned them the nickname Tiger of Scar. Oscars can grow to a considerable size when provided with proper care and a suitable environment. Adult Oscars typically reach lengths of 10 to 14 inches, although some individuals can grow even larger. In the wild, Oscars are primarily found in slow-moving or stagnant waters, such as oxbow lakes, tributaries, and flooded forest areas within the Amazon basin. They inhabit areas with submerged vegetation and underwater structures. Oscars are carnivorous and have a varied diet that includes small fish, crustaceans, insects, and other aquatic creatures. In captivity, they can be fed high-quality commercial fish pellets, live or frozen foods like fish, shrimp, and insects, as well as occasional plant matter. Oscars are known for their curious and intelligent nature. They are interactive fish and often recognize their owners, eagerly swimming to the front of the tank when someone approaches. They are also territorial and can be aggressive, especially during breeding and when sharing an aquarium with other fish. Keeping Oscars requires a spacious aquarium with appropriate water parameters. They prefer a tank with a minimum size of 55 gallons for a single fish, and larger tanks for multiple Oscars or other tank mates. Adequate filtration, hiding places, and regular water changes are essential for their well-being. Oscars are egg layers and can be bred in captivity. Breeding typically involves a pair of Oscars engaging in courtship behaviors, with the female laying eggs on a clean substrate or surface. The male fertilizes the eggs, and both parents guard and protect the nest. Oscars are not endangered in the wild. However, they face habitat degradation and potential overfishing in some areas within their native range. Oscars are beloved by many aquarium enthusiasts for their striking appearance and engaging behavior. Their intelligence and interactivity make them interesting pets, but they require a well-maintained aquarium and careful consideration when selecting tank mates due to their territorial tendencies. Responsible ownership and proper care are essential for the well-being of these captivating freshwater fish. The blue tang is a vibrant and striking marine fish species that is widely recognized for its distinctive royal blue body and yellowtail fin. Blue tangs are part of the surgeonfish family and are native to the warm tropical waters of the Indo-Pacific, including the coral reefs of the Indian Ocean and the Western and Central Pacific Ocean. They are known for their captivating appearance and are popular choices for marine aquariums. Here are some key characteristics and facts about blue tangs. Blue tangs have an elongated, oval-shaped body with a bright blue coloration on their dorsal side and a yellow caudal fin. They have a sharp, retractable spine, known as a scalpel, located near their tail base, which is a characteristic feature of surgeonfish. Adult blue tangs typically reach lengths of 6 to 12 inches, although larger individuals have been reported. Blue tangs are typically found in coral reefs and rocky coastal areas with strong water currents. They inhabit depths ranging from shallow waters near the surface to depths of about 150 feet. Blue tangs are herbivorous and primarily feed on various species of algae and small aquatic plants. Their constant grazing on algae is important for maintaining the health of coral reefs, as it helps control the growth of algae that can smother corals. Blue tangs are often seen in small groups or schools, especially during feeding and foraging activities. They are known for their agility and ability to swim effortlessly through coral formations. Blue tangs are oviparous, meaning they reproduce by laying eggs. Mating typically involves courtship rituals, during which pairs swim together and engage in synchronized behaviors. Females release eggs into the water, and males fertilize them externally. The fertilized eggs drift in the water column until they hatch into larvae. Blue tangs are popular choices for marine aquariums due to their striking appearance. However, they require large aquariums with stable water parameters, excellent filtration, and a well-established habitat with plenty of hiding places and live rock. They can be sensitive to changes in water quality, so regular maintenance is essential. Blue tangs are not currently classified as threatened or endangered. However, they may face localized threats from habitat degradation, overfishing for the aquarium trade, and climate change-related impacts on coral reefs. Blue tangs are cherished by marine enthusiasts for their vibrant colors and graceful swimming. They play an important ecological role in coral reef ecosystems by helping control algae growth, which supports the overall health and balance of these fragile marine environments. Responsible collection practices and sustainable management are important for the conservation of blue tangs and their coral reef habitat. The nurse shark is a unique and relatively docile species of shark that inhabits warm, tropical waters in various parts of the world, including the Atlantic Ocean, the Caribbean Sea, and the Western Indian Ocean. Nurse sharks are characterized by their unusual appearance, including a broad, flattened body and distinctive barbels, or sensory, whisker-like structures, near their mouth. Here are some key characteristics and facts about nurse sharks. Nurse sharks have a distinctive and somewhat peculiar appearance. They have a broad, rounded body with a relatively short, blunt snout. One of their most recognizable features is the presence of barbels, which resemble whiskers, hanging from their nostrils. These barbels are used to detect prey on the ocean floor. Nurse sharks are not among the largest shark species, but can still reach a substantial size. Adult nurse sharks typically range in length from 7 to 9 feet, although larger individuals have been recorded. Nurse sharks are typically found in a variety of coastal and reef habitats, including coral reefs, rocky areas, and shallow coastal waters. They are often seen resting on the ocean floor or inside crevices during the day and become more active at night. Nurse sharks are opportunistic feeders with a diverse diet. They primarily feed on a variety of bottom-dwelling prey, including small fish, crustaceans, mollusks, and even the occasional sea urchin. Their strong jaws and powerful suction force allow them to extract prey from the substrate. Nurse sharks are known for their relatively gentle and non-aggressive demeanor, especially when compared to more aggressive shark species. They are typically slow swimmers and are not considered a threat to humans unless provoked or cornered. However, like all wild animals, they should be treated with caution and respect. Nurse sharks reproduce through internal fertilization. Mating involves courtship behaviors, and females give birth to live young, after a gestation period of approximately 6 months to 1 year. A female nurse shark can give birth to a litter of 20 to 30 pups, which are about 12 to 24 inches in length at birth. Nurse sharks are not considered threatened or endangered species on a global scale. However, they may face localized threats, such as habitat destruction and overfishing in some regions. In some areas, they are hunted for their meat and fins, and their habitat is impacted by coastal development. Nurse sharks are often observed by divers and snorkelers in tropical marine environments, and their docile nature makes them a subject of interest for ecotourism activities. Their unique appearance and relatively peaceful behavior contribute to their appeal among marine enthusiasts and researchers studying shark biology and behavior. Conservation efforts aim to protect nurse sharks and their coastal habitats. Parrotfish is a group of colorful and diverse marine fish species found in tropical and subtropical waters around the world, particularly in coral reefs. Parrotfish are known for their distinctive appearance, which includes a beak-like mouth, vibrant colors, and a robust body shape. Here are some key characteristics and facts about parrotfish. Parrotfish have a unique and recognizable appearance. They have a beak-shaped mouth, which is equipped with fused teeth that resemble a parrot's beak. These teeth are used for scraping and grinding algae and coral polyps from the reef. Parrotfish come in a wide range of colors, including blues, greens, yellows, and reds. They often display different colors at various stages of their life. The size of parrotfish can vary depending on the species, but they generally range from about 6 to 20 inches in length. Some larger species can grow even larger. Parrotfish are typically found in coral reefs and rocky coastal areas in warm, tropical oceans. They are an integral part of the reef ecosystem, where they play a crucial role in maintaining the health of the reef. Parrotfish are herbivorous and primarily feed on algae and coral polyps. Their powerful beaks allow them to scrape algae from rocks and coral surfaces, which helps prevent the overgrowth of algae on coral reefs, which can be detrimental to corals. Parrotfish are diurnal, which means they are active during the day. They are often seen swimming in small groups or schools, foraging for food along the reef. At night, some species of parrotfish secrete a mucus cocoon around themselves, which helps protect them from predators while they sleep. Parrotfish are oviparous, which means they reproduce by laying eggs. During the mating process, male parrotfish often change their coloration to attract females. After fertilization, The eggs are released into the water, where they hatch into planktonic larvae. Parrotfish play a critical role in maintaining the health and balance of coral reef ecosystems. However, they face threats from overfishing, habitat degradation, and coral bleaching associated with climate change. Some countries have implemented conservation measures to protect parrotfish population, recognizing their importance in preserving coral reefs. Parrotfish are considered ecosystem engineers because of their role in shaping coral reef ecosystems. By grazing on algae and coral, they help prevent the overgrowth of algae, allowing coral colonies to thrive. This in turn benefits a wide variety of marine life that relies on healthy coral reefs. Parrotfish are not only ecologically important, but also admired by divers and snorkelers for their vibrant colors and fascinating behavior. Their presence in coral reef environments highlights the beauty and diversity of marine life, and underscores the importance of conserving these fragile ecosystems. The coelacanth is a remarkable and ancient fish species that belongs to the group of lobe-finned fishes. Coelacanths are often referred to as living fossils because they were once thought to be extinct for millions of years until their rediscovery in the 20th century. They represent an evolutionary lineage that dates back hundreds of millions of years and provide valuable insights into the history of vertebrate evolution. Here are some key characteristics and facts about coelacanths. Coelacanths have a distinctive appearance with several unique features. They have lobed fins that resemble limbs, which are distinct from the ray-finned fins found in most fish species. These lobed fins have a bony structure and are thought to be ancestral to the limbs of tetrapods. Coelacanths have a thick, fleshy body covered in thick scales, and they are typically gray or brown in color. Adult coelacanths can reach lengths of about 5 to 6 feet and weigh up to several hundred pounds. Coelacanths are found in deep-sea environments, typically at depths ranging from 500 to 2,300 feet. They are known to inhabit underwater caves and rocky formations along the continental slopes. Coelacanths are primarily piscivorous, meaning they feed on other fish. They use their specialized lobed fins to stalk and capture prey. Their diet may also include cephalopods and crustaceans. Coelacanths are slow-moving fish that tend to hover in a water column or rest in caves during the day. They are known to be active at night when they search for food. Little is known about their social behavior or reproductive habits due to their elusive nature. Coelacanths are ovoviviparous, which means they give birth to live young rather than laying eggs. The female coelacanth carries the developing embryos internally, and the young are born fully formed. They are relatively large at birth, measuring about 12 to 14 inches in length. Coelacanths were believed to have gone extinct around 65 million years ago, alongside the dinosaurs, until a living specimen was discovered off the coast of South Africa in 1938. This discovery by Marjorie Courtenay Latimer and fisherman Hendrik Goosen was a groundbreaking moment in the world of science, and led to increased interest in the study of coelacanths. Coelacanths are considered a vulnerable species due to their limited range, deep-sea habitat, and susceptibility to accidental bycatch in fishing operations. Conservation efforts are in place to protect these ancient fish and their habitats. Coelacanths hold a special place in the history of biology and the study of evolution. Their unique anatomy and position in an evolutionary tree provide important insights into the transition from fish to tetrapods, which eventually gave rise to land-dwelling vertebrates, including mammals, reptiles, and birds. While coelacanths are still shrouded in mystery, ongoing research and conservation efforts aim to learn more about these living relics of Earth's ancient past. Arowana is the common name for a group of freshwater fish species, known for their sleek, elongated bodies, prominent scales, and distinctive appearance. Arowanas belong to the family Ostoglossidae, and are native to various parts of South America, Africa, Asia, and Australia. They are highly prized in the aquarium trade for their beauty, and are often considered symbols of luck and prosperity in some cultures. Here are some key characteristics and facts about arowanas. Arowanas are known for their unique appearance, which includes a streamlined body covered in large bony scales that can be quite colorful. The coloration of arowanas varies among species, and can include shades of green, silver, gold, or red. They have long, sleek bodies and a distinctive pair of barbels located near their lower jaw. Arowanas are among the larger freshwater fish species kept in aquariums. Depending on the species, they can grow anywhere from 2 to 4 feet in length. Some larger individuals have been recorded. Arowanas are typically found in slow-moving or still waters, such as rivers, lakes, and flooded forests, in their native regions. They prefer warm tropical environments and often inhabit areas with submerged vegetation and in underwater structures. Arowanas are carnivorous and primarily feed on a diet of fish, insects, crustaceans, and other small aquatic prey. They are skilled hunters and are known for their ability to leap out of the water to catch flying insects and birds. Arowanas are solitary and territorial fish in the wild. They are known for their surface-dwelling behavior and the ability to jump out of the water to catch their prey. This behavior can pose challenges for aquarium keepers, as they need to provide a secure lid to prevent the fish from leaping out of the tank. Arowanas are popular choices for large, well-maintained aquariums. Due to their potential size and jumping behavior, they require spacious tanks with secure lids. Water quality and temperature should be carefully controlled to mimic their natural habitat. Arowanas are generally not kept in community aquariums, as they can be aggressive towards other fish. Some species of arowanas are listed as endangered or threatened due to habitat loss, overfishing for the aquarium trade, and the destruction of their native environments. Conservation efforts are in place to protect these species and their habitats. In some Asian cultures, particularly in Southeast Asia, arowanas are considered symbols of good luck, prosperity, and protection. They are often associated with wealth and are kept as prized possessions. Arowanas are fascinating and visually stunning fish that have captivated aquarium enthusiasts and collectors worldwide. Their unique appearance and cultural significance make them highly sought after in the aquarium trade, but responsible ownership and conservation efforts are essential to protect their populations in the wild. Pufferfish, also known as blowfish, belong to the family Tetradontidae, and they are a group of unique and fascinating fish known for their distinctive appearance and defensive behaviors. Pufferfish are found in both saltwater and freshwater environments around the world, and are known for their ability to inflate their bodies to deter potential predators. Here are some key characteristics and facts about pufferfish. Pufferfish have a somewhat unusual and distinctive appearance. They typically have a round or oval-shaped body with relatively small fins. Their skin is covered in small spines or spikes, which become more pronounced when they inflate. Pufferfish come in various colors and patterns, often featuring spots or markings. The size of pufferfish can vary widely depending on the species. Some are relatively small and measure only a few inches in length, while others can grow to be quite large, reaching lengths of up to 2 feet or more. Pufferfish are found in a range of aquatic environments. Some species inhabit marine waters, including coral reefs and coastal areas, while others are adapted to freshwater habitats such as rivers and lakes. They can be found in tropical and temperate regions worldwide. Pufferfish are omnivorous and have a varied diet. They feed on a combination of small fish, crustaceans, mollusks, algae, and aquatic plants. Some species of pufferfish are known for their powerful jaws and ability to crush hard-shelled prey. Pufferfish are famous for their ability to inflate their bodies when threatened or stressed. They do this by taking in water or air, causing their bodies to expand rapidly. This inflation makes them appear much larger and less appetizing to potential predators. While inflated, pufferfish are often immobile and vulnerable, so they resort to this defense mechanism as a last resort. Many species of pufferfish are highly toxic and contain a potent neurotoxin called tetrodotoxin. This toxin can be found in various parts of their bodies, including the skin, internal organs, and sometimes even their muscles. Consumption of improperly prepared pufferfish can be deadly to humans, making it a delicacy in some parts of the world when prepared by trained chefs. Some species of pufferfish are kept in home aquariums by experienced hobbyists. However, they require specialized care as they can be sensitive to water quality and diet. Pufferfish tanks must be equipped with appropriate filtration, suitable hiding spots, and a proper diet to meet their specific needs. Pufferfish populations are generally not considered threatened or endangered. However, like many marine species, they can be impacted by habitat destruction, overfishing, and pollution in some regions. Sustainable fishing practices and habitat protection are important for their conservation. Pufferfish are intriguing and charismatic fish known for their unique defense mechanisms and occasional culinary appeal. Their ability to inflate and their potentially deadly toxins make them one of the more intriguing and challenging groups of fish for both aquarists and researchers alike. Seahorses are a group of unique and fascinating marine fish, known for their distinctive appearance and interesting behaviors. They belong to the family Syngnathidae, and are characterized by their upright posture, elongated bodies, and prehensile tails. Seahorses are found in various coastal and shallow water habitats around the world, and have captured the imagination of people due to their unusual appearance and intriguing mating rituals. Here are some key characteristics and facts about seahorses. Seahorses have a striking appearance that sets them apart from most other fish species. They have a slender, elongated body covered in bony plates rather than scales. Their heads are shaped like a horse's head, complete with a tubular snout. Seahorses have small fins that they use for steering, and they swim in an upright position. Their tails are prehensile, meaning they can grasp onto objects, like seagrass, to anchor themselves in place. The size of seahorses varies depending on the species, but they are generally small fish. Seahorses can range from about 0.6 inches to around 14 inches in length. Seahorses are primarily found in shallow coastal waters, seagrass beds, coral reefs, and mangrove forests. They tend to prefer areas with plenty of vegetation, as this provides them with camouflage and shelter. Seahorses are carnivorous and feed on tiny marine organisms, including small shrimp, plankton, and small crustaceans. They are known for their slow and deliberate feeding behavior, using their snouts to vacuum up prey. Seahorses are known for their unique swimming style, in which they use their dorsal fin to propel themselves, while maintaining their upright position. They are not strong swimmers and are often seen anchoring themselves to a stable object with their prehensile tails to avoid being swept away by currents. Seahorses have one of the most distinctive and fascinating mating rituals in the animal kingdom. In many species, it's the male seahorse that becomes pregnant. During courtship, the male and female engage in elaborate dances, often changing color and postures. The female transfers her eggs into a specialized pouch on the male's abdomen, where he fertilizes and carries the developing embryos until they hatch. Seahorse fathers can give birth to hundreds of tiny seahorse fry. Many seahorse species are facing threats due to habitat loss, overfishing, and the demand for the aquarium trade and traditional Chinese medicine. Some seahorse populations are at risk of decline, and international regulations are in place to protect certain species through trade restrictions. Seahorses have been featured in mythology, art, and folklore throughout history. They are often associated with symbolism, representing characteristics like patience, persistence, and protection. Seahorses are captivating creatures that continue to captivate the interest of marine enthusiasts and researchers alike. Their unique biology, intriguing behavior, and delicate appearance make them an icon of the underwater world. Conservation efforts are critical to protect seahorse populations and their habitats. Mahi-mahi, also known as dolphinfish or dorado, is a popular and colorful marine fish species found in warm tropical and subtropical waters around the world. Mahi-mahi are highly prized by anglers and commercial fishermen for their vibrant appearance, fast growth rate, and delicious taste. Here are some key characteristics and facts about mahi-mahi. Mahi-mahi are known for their striking and vibrant colors. They have a long, slender body with a pronounced dorsal fin that runs along their entire back. Their body coloration can vary, but they typically display bright shades of green, blue, and yellow, often with intricate patterns of spots and stripes. When mahi-mahi are caught, their colors can become even more vivid. Mahi-mahi are known for their relatively rapid growth, and they can attain impressive sizes. Adult mahi-mahi typically range from 2 to 3 feet in length, although larger individuals exceeding 5 feet are not uncommon. Mahi-mahi are primarily found in warm oceanic water, including the Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Pacific Ocean. They prefer offshore habitats, including weed lines, floating debris, and structures like buoys and oil platforms. These structures often attract small fish and other prey, making them ideal hunting grounds for mahi-mahi. Mahi-mahi are carnivorous and feed on a diverse diet that includes small fish, squid, crustaceans, and other marine organisms. They are known for their aggressive feeding behavior, and often travel in schools to search for prey. Mahi-mahi are known for their acrobatic displays when caught on a hook and line. They are strong swimmers and are known to leap out of the water and perform aerial maneuvers when hooked, making them a popular target for sport fishermen. Mahi-mahi are prolific breeders and reproduce by spawning in the open ocean. Females release eggs, which are fertilized externally by males. Mahi-mahi reach sexual maturity at a relatively young age, often within their first year of life. Mahi-mahi is highly regarded for its delicious firm and mildly sweet flesh. It is a popular seafood choice for culinary purposes, and is often grilled, broiled, or used in various dishes, including ceviche and fish tacos. Mahi-mahi populations are generally considered stable, and not currently threatened or endangered. However, sustainable fishing practices are important to ensure the long-term health of mahi-mahi populations and the marine ecosystems in which they reside. Mahi-mahi is known by various names in different regions. In addition to mahi-mahi, it is commonly referred to as dolphinfish and a dorado, which means golden in Spanish. Mahi-mahi is not only prized for its taste, but also for its stunning appearance and sporting appeal. It is a versatile and valuable species in both recreational and commercial fisheries, contributing to the culinary enjoyment of seafood enthusiasts around the world. Triggerfish is a family of unique and often colorful marine fish, known for their distinctive appearance and interesting behaviors. These fish belong to the family Bellistidae, and they are found in tropical and subtropical waters around the world, primarily in coral reefs and rocky coastal areas. Triggerfish get their name from a unique defensive mechanism, a modified dorsal fin that can be locked into place, making it difficult for predators to swallow them. Here are some key characteristics and facts about triggerfish. Triggerfish have a distinct appearance characterized by a compressed, rhomboid-shaped body with a small mouth and sharp teeth. Their most notable feature is the dorsal fin, which can be raised and locked into place by a specialized spine in the fish's first dorsal fin. When the trigger is engaged, it makes it difficult for predators to swallow the fish. Triggerfish often display vibrant colors and intricate patterns, making them visually striking. The size of triggerfish varies depending on the species, but they generally range from about 8 inches to 20 inches in length. Some larger species can grow even larger. Triggerfish are primarily found in tropical and subtropical waters of the Atlantic, Indian, and Pacific Oceans. They inhabit coral reefs, rocky shores, and coastal areas with suitable hiding places. Triggerfish are omnivorous and have a varied diet. They feed on a combination of small fish, crustaceans, mollusks, algae, and other marine organisms. Their strong jaws and sharp teeth allow them to crush shells and access hard-shelled prey. Triggerfish are known for their territorial and aggressive nature, especially during the breeding season when they protect their nest. They are known to chase away larger fish and even divers when they feel threatened or provoked. Triggerfish are egg layers, and some species exhibit interesting nesting behaviors. They create nests in the sand by clearing away debris with their fins, and they guard their nests aggressively. Males are often responsible for guarding the eggs and fanning them with their fins to provide oxygen until they hatch. Many species of triggerfish are not considered threatened or endangered, but they can be vulnerable to overfishing and habitat degradation, particularly in coral reef ecosystems. Sustainable fishing practices and coral reef conservation efforts are essential to protect triggerfish populations. Some species of triggerfish are valued in culinary traditions, and their firm white flesh is considered delicious. They are often prepared by grilling, pan-frying, or baking, and are enjoyed in various dishes in regions where they are caught. Triggerfish are admired by divers and underwater enthusiasts for their colorful appearance and interesting behaviors, although their territorial nature and sharp teeth make them a subject of caution when observing them in their natural habitat. They are a fascinating and diverse group of fish that contribute to the biodiversity and beauty of coral reef ecosystems. The blobfish is a deep-sea fish known for its distinctive and somewhat unusual appearance. It has gained attention and notoriety in recent years due to its distinctive appearance, often described as ugly or unusual. The blobfish is primarily found in the deep waters off the coast of Australia, Tasmania, and New Zealand. Here are some key characteristics and facts about the blobfish. Blobfish have a soft, gelatinous body with a loose, drooping appearance. Their body lacks muscles and a swim bladder, which are common features in most fish. This lack of swim bladder makes them buoyant in the high-pressure environment of the deep sea. Due to their lack of structural support, they appear gelatinous and somewhat saggy when brought to the surface. Blobfish are typically found in deep ocean waters at depths ranging from 2,000 to 4,000 feet or more. At these depths, the pressure is extremely high, and the temperature is near freezing. They inhabit the continental slopes and abyssal plains of their native range. Blobfish are believed to be opportunistic feeders that consume whatever prey is available in their deep-sea habitat. Their diet likely consists of small fish, crustaceans, and other small marine organisms. The blobfish's gelatinous and somewhat saggy appearance is an adaptation to the extreme pressure of its deep-sea habitat. At such depths, the water pressure is hundreds of times greater than at the surface, and having a soft, jelly-like body helps reduce the risk of being crushed by the pressure. Not much is known about the behavior of blobfish in their natural habitat, due to the extreme depths at which they live. They are believed to be slow-moving and relatively inactive, conserving energy in the low oxygen and low food environment of the deep sea. Blobfish are not considered a threatened or endangered species primarily because they inhabit remote and inaccessible deep-sea environments where human activities are limited. However, like many deep-sea species, they are vulnerable to the effects of deep-sea trawling and other forms of commercial fishing that impact their habitat. The blobfish gained internet fame in the 2010s when an image of a blobfish appeared in various lists of ugliest animals and weird-looking creatures. It's important to note that the blobfish's appearance is a result of extreme pressure changes when brought to the surface, and it looks quite different in its natural deep-sea environment. While the blobfish's appearance may seem odd or comical when seen out of its natural habitat, it is a testament to the remarkable adaptations that allow different species to thrive in the diverse and extreme environments found in Earth's oceans. Role in the Greenland shark is a cold water species of shark that inhabits the deep, icy waters of the Arctic and North Atlantic Oceans, particularly around Greenland and the North Atlantic continental shelves. It is one of the largest and longest-lived shark species in the world, and is known for its unique adaptations to its extreme environment. Here are some key characteristics and facts about the Greenland shark. Greenland sharks are among the largest shark species, with adults typically ranging from 12 to 16 feet in length. However, some individuals can exceed 20 feet in length. Despite their large size, Greenland sharks have relatively slender bodies. Greenland sharks have a distinctive appearance characterized by their dark, almost black or grayish-brown coloration and small, close-set eyes. Their bodies are rough and covered in tiny, tooth-like dermal denticles that give them a rough texture. These sharks are primarily found in deep, cold waters, typically at depths ranging from 2,000 to 7,200 feet. They are most commonly encountered in the Arctic and North Atlantic Oceans, but have also been found in the North Pacific Ocean. Greenland sharks are well adapted to the frigid waters of the Arctic and subarctic regions. They have a slow metabolism and are believed to have the lowest metabolic rate of any shark species. This adaptation helps them conserve energy in the cold, nutrient-poor environment. Greenland sharks are opportunistic scavengers and predators. Their diet includes a wide range of prey, such as fish, seals, smaller sharks, squid, and carrion. They are known to feed on the remains of marine mammals that sink to the ocean floor. Greenland sharks are renowned for their extreme longevity. Some individuals have been estimated to live for more than 400 years, making them one of the longest-lived vertebrates on Earth. Researchers have determined their ages by analyzing the eye lenses of captured specimens. Little is known about the reproductive biology of Greenland sharks. They are thought to have a slow reproductive rate, with females likely giving birth to relatively few offspring over their long lifespans. Pups are believed to be born at a size of about 1 to 2 feet. Greenland sharks are not considered a commercially targeted species, and are generally not threatened by fishing activities. However, they can be accidentally caught as bycatch in fishing operations targeting other species. Climate change and alterations in the Arctic ecosystem could potentially impact their habitat and food sources. In some Arctic cultures, particularly among the Inuit people of Greenland, the Greenland shark holds cultural and culinary significance. The meat of the Greenland shark is a traditional food source, although it requires specialized preparation due to high levels of urea and trimethylamine oxide, which can be toxic if not properly treated. Greenland sharks are a unique and enigmatic species that have adapted to the extreme conditions of the Arctic and North Atlantic Oceans. Their incredible longevity and adaptations to cold, deep waters make them a subject of scientific interest and conservation concern as researchers seek to better understand these mysterious creatures and protect their fragile habitat. Archerfish is a group of freshwater fish species known for their remarkable hunting abilities. They belong to the family Toxodidae and are found in the freshwater and brackish waters of Southeast Asia and northern Australia. Archerfish are best known for their unique method of capturing prey, which involves shooting down insects and other small prey from overhanging vegetation with well-aimed squirts of water. Here are some key characteristics and facts about archerfish. Archerfish have a streamlined body shape with a dorsal fin that is located closer to the rear of their body. They are typically silver or greenish in color and have large forward-set eyes that are adapted for accurate targeting. The size of archerfish can vary depending on the species, but they generally range from about 6 to 12 inches in length. Archerfish inhabit slow-moving or stagnant freshwater environments, including rivers, lakes, and mangrove swamps. They are often found in brackish water near the coast. Archerfish are carnivorous and primarily feed on insects and other small prey that they capture by shooting jets of water from their mouth. They are skilled marksmen and can accurately hit prey located several feet above the water's surface. Archerfish have a highly specialized hunting technique. When they spot potential prey, such as insects or spiders, resting on leaves or branches above the water, they align themselves below the target and forcefully expel a stream of water from their mouth. This stream of water forms a powerful jet that strikes the prey, causing it to fall into the water, where the archerfish can quickly consume it. Archerfish are surprisingly accurate in their shooting abilities. They adjust the angle and force of their water jets to compensate for the bending of light at the water surface, enabling them to accurately target prey both above and below the waterline. Archerfish are known to be social animals and often hunt in groups. When hunting as a group, they can collectively target and shoot down larger prey, or dislodge insects that are difficult for a single fish to handle. Archerfish reproduce by laying eggs. After hatching, the young archerfish are relatively independent and begin to develop their shooting skills at a young age. Some species of archerfish are kept in home aquariums by experienced hobbyists. They require spacious tanks with appropriate water conditions, and should be provided with a varied diet that includes live or frozen prey. Archerfish are celebrated for their intriguing and precise hunting behavior, which showcases their remarkable adaptation to their environment. Their ability to accurately shoot down prey with water jets has fascinated scientists and nature enthusiasts alike, making them a fascinating subject of study and observation. Flying fish are a group of marine fish known for their remarkable ability to fly above the water's surface for short distances. They belong to the family Exocoetidae and are found in warm oceanic waters around the world. Flying fish have evolved unique adaptations that allow them to glide through the air, enabling them to evade predators and cover greater distances in search of food or suitable spawning sites. Here are some key characteristics and facts about flying fish. Flying fish have a streamlined body shape with large pectoral fins that are adapted for gliding. These pectoral fins are long and wing-like, which gives them the appearance of small birds in flight. They are typically silver or metallic blue in color. The size of flying fish varies among species, but they generally range from about 7 to 12 inches in length. Some larger species can reach lengths of up to 18 inches. Flying fish are primarily found in warm oceanic waters, especially in the Atlantic, Indian, and Pacific Oceans. They inhabit the surface layers of the open ocean, where they can encounter predators like dolphins, tuna, and seabirds. Flying fish are omnivorous and feed on a variety of plankton, small fish, and other marine organisms that are found near the ocean's surface. Flying fish are well equipped for aerial locomotion. Their pectoral fins are modified into wings that they use to glide above the water. When they feel threatened or want to cover more distance, they accelerate underwater and leap out of the water, spreading their wing-like fins to catch the air. They can glide for distances ranging from a few meters to over 600 feet, and reach speeds of up to 35 miles per hour. Flying fish have several natural predators, including larger fish, seabirds, and dolphins. Their ability to glide above the water's surface provides them with an escape route from these predators. However, some predators, like the frigidibird, are known to capture flying fish in midair. Flying fish reproduce by releasing eggs into the open ocean, where they hatch into larvae. After a period of time as larvae, they undergo metamorphosis and develop into adults. Flying fish are caught for human consumption in some regions, particularly in parts of the Caribbean and Indonesia. They are known for their delicate and flavorful meat, and are used in various culinary dishes. Flying fish play a role in the marine food web by serving as both predators and prey. They contribute to the diet of larger fish, seabirds, and other marine organisms. Flying fish populations are generally not considered threatened or endangered. However, they can be indirectly impacted by overfishing and habitat degradation in their oceanic ecosystems. Flying fish are remarkable examples of adaptation in the animal kingdom. Their ability to glide above the ocean's surface is not only a survival mechanism, but also a captivating behavior that has fascinated scientists and nature enthusiasts for centuries. Sturgeon is a group of ancient large and long-lived fish species, belonging to the family Accipinceridae. These fish are known for their distinctive appearance, which includes a bony plate-like armor called scutes, instead of scales and a long snout like rostrum with sensory barbels. Sturgeon are primarily freshwater fish, but some species are known to enter brackish or marine waters during different stages of their life cycle. Here are some key characteristics and facts about sturgeon. Sturgeon have a unique appearance characterized by their elongated bodies, covered in rows of bony scutes rather than traditional scales. They have a pointed snout or rostrum, with sensory barbels near their mouth. Their tail fins are heterocercal, meaning the upper lobe is larger than the lower lobe. Sturgeon are among the largest freshwater fish in the world. Depending on the species, they can grow anywhere from a few feet to over 20 feet in length. Some individuals have been recorded weighing over a ton. Sturgeon are primarily found in freshwater habitats, including rivers, lakes, and large reservoirs. However, some species are known to migrate between freshwater and brackish or marine waters, especially during their spawning migrations. Sturgeon are primarily bottom feeders, using their barbels to detect prey buried in the substrate. Their diet consists of a variety of aquatic organisms, including small fish, crustaceans, mollusks, and insect larvae. Sturgeon are renowned for their long lifespans, with some species capable of living for several decades or even over a century. Their slow growth rate contributes to their extended lifespan. Sturgeon have unique reproductive behaviors. They are known for their spectacular spawning migrations, during which they swim upstream to spawn in specific gravel-bottom rivers and streams. Female sturgeon release thousands of eggs, and males release sperm to fertilize them externally. The eggs then adhere to the reverb until they hatch into larval fish. Many sturgeon species are considered threatened or endangered due to overfishing, habitat destruction, and dam construction that disrupts their migratory patterns. Sturgeon populations have been severely impacted by the demand for their valuable roe, which is used to make caviar. Conservation efforts are in place to protect and restore sturgeon populations in various parts of the world. Sturgeon roe, known as caviar, is highly prized and considered a delicacy in many culinary traditions. Some species of sturgeon are specifically targeted for their caviar, leading to concerns about overharvesting and illegal trade. Sturgeon have cultural significance in various regions around the world. They are often associated with folklore, traditional fishing practices, and the culinary heritage of countries where caviar is a sought-after luxury. Sturgeon are remarkable and ancient fish species that have played a significant role in both natural ecosystems and human culture. Conservation efforts are essential to protect these extraordinary fish and ensure their survival in the face of various threats to their populations. The Wels catfish is a large freshwater fish species native to Europe and parts of Asia. It is one of the largest freshwater fish in the world, and is well known for its impressive size, predatory behavior, and distinctive appearance. Here are some key characteristics and facts about the Wels catfish. Wels catfish are among the largest freshwater fish species globally, and can reach remarkable sizes. Adult individuals can grow up to 13 feet in length and weigh several hundred pounds. However, most individuals are smaller, typically ranging from 3 to 6 feet in length. Wels catfish have a long and cylindrical body with a mottled or dark greenish-brown coloration on their upper side and a lighter, pale yellow to white color on their belly. They have a wide, flattened head with a large mouth filled with sharp teeth. Their eyes are relatively small compared to the size of their head. Wels catfish are primarily found in slow-moving or stagnant freshwater environments, including rivers, lakes, ponds, and reservoirs. They prefer areas with ample underwater vegetation and submerged structures that offer hiding spots and ambush points for hunting prey. Wels catfish are carnivorous and opportunistic predators. They have a diverse diet that includes fish, amphibians, crustaceans, and even small mammals and birds that venture too close to the water's edge. They are known for their ability to swallow prey whole due to their large mouth. Wels catfish are often nocturnal, becoming more active at night when they hunt for prey. They are skilled ambush predators and use their excellent sense of smell and taste to locate prey. They are known to hide near underwater structures and vegetation, waiting for an opportunity to strike. Wels catfish reproduce by laying eggs, which are typically deposited in underwater cavities or hollows, such as those found in submerged logs or burrows. The male guards and protects the eggs until they hatch into fry. Young Wels catfish grow relatively slowly and may not reach sexual maturity until several years of age. While Wels catfish are not considered globally threatened or endangered, their populations in certain regions have faced declines due to overfishing and habitat degradation. Conservation efforts, including sustainable fishing practices and habitat protection, are important to maintain healthy populations. Wels catfish are a popular target for sport fishermen in Europe, where they are often caught using specialized tackle and techniques. Their size and fighting abilities make them a sought-after game fish. The Wels catfish is a fascinating and iconic species in the world of freshwater fishing, known for its impressive size and predatory nature. It plays an important ecological role in the ecosystems it inhabits, and is a symbol of conservation efforts to protect freshwater environments and their biodiversity. The whale shark is the largest fish species in the world, and holds the title of being the largest living non-mammalian vertebrate. These gentle giants are known for their immense size, filter-feeding behavior, and striking appearance. Here are some key characteristics and facts about the whale shark. Whale sharks are truly colossal, with some individuals reaching lengths of up to 60 feet or more. They can weigh as much as 20 tons, making them larger than many whale species. Whale sharks have a distinctive appearance characterized by their enormous size, flattened bodies, and a unique pattern of light spots and stripes on a dark blue to brownish-gray background. These markings are like a fingerprint for each individual, and are used by researchers for identification. Whale sharks are found in warm tropical and subtropical oceans around the world. They prefer areas with stable water temperatures and often inhabit coastal regions, coral reefs, and areas with high concentrations of plankton and other small marine organisms. Whale sharks are filter feeders and primarily consume plankton, including small fish, shrimp, and other microscopic organisms. They swim with their mouths wide open, creating a vortex that allows them to passively filter out food from the water. Their diet makes them one of the few filter-feeding shark species. Whale sharks are obligate ram ventilators, meaning they must keep swimming to maintain a constant flow of water over their gills to extract oxygen. They use their large pectoral fins for stability while swimming and maintain a slow, steady pace. Whale sharks are generally solitary animals, but may form loose aggregations, particularly in areas with abundant food resources. They are known to make long-distance migrations, although many aspects of their behavior and migration patterns remain a subject of ongoing research. Much about the reproductive behavior of whale sharks remains a mystery. It is known that they are ovoviviparous, which means the eggs develop inside the female's body before live young are born. However, specific details of their reproduction and mating behaviors are not well documented. Whale sharks are listed as a vulnerable species by the International Union for Conservation of Nature due to various threats, including bycatch in fisheries, boat strikes, and habitat degradation. Conservation efforts are in place to protect these magnificent creatures, including the establishment of marine protected areas and the promotion of responsible tourism practices. Whale shark tourism has become popular in some areas, where people can swim and snorkel with these gentle giants. Responsible ecotourism practices, such as maintaining a respectful distance and following guidelines to minimize disturbances, are crucial for ensuring the well-being of the animals. Whale sharks are awe-inspiring and enigmatic creatures that capture the fascination of marine enthusiasts and conservationists alike. Their impressive size and filter-feeding behavior make them a symbol of the incredible diversity of marine life and the importance of preserving the world's oceans. Snakehead fish, also known simply as snakeheads, are a group of predatory freshwater fish species belonging to the family Chanidae. They are characterized by their elongated, snake-like bodies and sharp teeth. Snakeheads are native to parts of Asia and Africa but have become invasive in various regions around the world. Here are some key characteristics and facts about snakehead fish. Snakehead fish have a long, cylindrical body with a dorsal fin that extends along their entire back. They have a large mouth filled with sharp teeth and are often brown-green or mottled in coloration. Some species may also display distinctive patterns or markings. The size of snakehead fish can vary depending on the species and environmental conditions, but they typically range from about 12 to 36 inches in length. Some larger individuals can exceed 40 inches in length. Snakehead fish are primarily freshwater species and are commonly found in rivers, lakes, ponds, and swamps. They are highly adaptable and can tolerate a range of water conditions, including low oxygen levels. Snakehead fish are carnivorous and voracious predators. They feed on a variety of prey, including fish, amphibians, crustaceans, and aquatic insects. Their ability to consume a wide range of prey makes them effective invaders in an ecosystem. Snakeheads are known for their aggressive and territorial behavior. They are opportunistic hunters and will actively seek out and ambush their prey. They are also known to protect their nests and offspring from potential threats. Snakeheads are known for their unique reproductive behavior. They are mouth brooders, which means that the male incubates the fertilized eggs in his mouth until the fry are ready to swim on their own. This parental care is believed to contribute to their successful establishment in new environments. Snakehead fish are considered invasive in many parts of the world, including the United States, where they have been introduced to various water bodies. Their invasive status is due to their rapid growth, high reproductive rate, and ability to outcompete native fish species. Invasive snakeheads can disrupt local ecosystems and fisheries. The import, possession, and sale of certain snakehead species are regulated in many regions to prevent their spread and minimize their impact on local ecosystems. Regulations vary by location, so it's important to check local laws regarding snakeheads. In some cultures, the snakehead fish are considered a culinary delicacy and are consumed in various dishes. However, their potential impact on local ecosystems has led to concerns about their commercial trade and consumption. Snakehead fish are a complex and controversial group of aquatic species. While they are admired for their adaptability and unique reproductive behavior, they are also viewed with concern due to their invasive potential and the ecological disruptions they can cause in non-native habitats. Efforts to manage and control snakehead populations in invaded areas are ongoing to protect local ecosystems. The red lionfish is a venomous and invasive marine fish species native to the Indo-Pacific region, including the waters of the Indian and Pacific Oceans. It is part of a group of fish species known as lionfish, which are known for their striking appearance and long, feathery dorsal fin spines. The red lionfish has become a significant concern in some parts of the western Atlantic Ocean and the Caribbean, where it has been introduced as an invasive species. Here are some key characteristics and facts about the red lionfish. Red lionfish are known for their distinctive appearance, characterized by their red to maroon coloration, white vertical stripes, and long flowing dorsal and pectoral fins with venomous spines. These spines are used for defense and contain potent venom that can cause painful stings if handled or stepped on. Red lionfish vary in size, but they typically reach lengths of 12 to 15 inches. However, some individuals can grow larger, with reports of specimens exceeding 18 inches. Red lionfish are typically found in a variety of marine habitats, including coral reefs, rocky outcrops, and seagrass beds. They are known to inhabit both shallow and deep water, from just a few feet to over 1,000 feet below the surface. Lionfish are voracious carnivores with a diverse diet. They feed on small fish, crustaceans, and other small marine organisms. Their hunting strategy involves hovering near their prey and striking quickly with their outstretched pectoral fins to create a vacuum that sucks in their prey. Red lionfish are known for their reproductive capacity. They are prolific breeders and can release thousands of eggs during a single reproductive event. The eggs are buoyant and float near the surface, where they hatch into larval fish. Red lionfish have become a significant invasive species in parts of the western Atlantic Ocean and the Caribbean. It is believed that their introduction to these regions was accidental, likely through the release of aquarium fish. Invasive lionfish populations have had detrimental effects on local reef ecosystems, as they outcompete native species for food and space. Efforts to control invasive lionfish populations include spearfishing by divers and encouraging the consumption of lionfish as a seafood delicacy. Conservation organizations and government agencies have also promoted lionfish culling and public education about the invasive threat they pose. The spines of red lionfish are armed with venom, which serves as a defense mechanism. If a human is stung by a lionfish, the venom can cause intense pain, swelling, and other symptoms. Immediate medical attention is recommended in case of a sting. The red lionfish is a visually stunning but ecologically problematic species in non-native habitats. Efforts to manage and control their populations are ongoing to protect the biodiversity and health of local marine ecosystems in areas where they have become invasive. Gar is a common name for several species of freshwater fish belonging to the family Lepisosteidae. These fish are known for their primitive and distinctive appearance, characterized by long, slender bodies, sharp teeth, and armored scales. Garfish are often referred to as living fossils, because they have existed relatively unchanged for millions of years. Here are some key characteristics and facts about garfish. Garfish have an elongated and cylindrical body covered in hard, diamond-shaped scales. They have long, narrow jaws filled with sharp teeth. Some species have an elongated snout that resembles the shape of a garfish, while others have a broader head. Garfish vary in size depending on the species, but they can range from relatively small, such as the Florida gar around 2 feet, to larger species like the alligator gar, which can grow up to 10 feet or more. Gars are primarily found in freshwater environments, including rivers, lake swamps, and bays with a preference for slow-moving or still waters. They are well adapted to oxygen-poor environments and can tolerate low water quality. Gars are carnivorous predators and feed on a variety of prey, including fish, crustaceans, and small mammals. Their sharp teeth and powerful jaws allow them to capture and consume a wide range of aquatic organisms. Gars have a unique method of respiration. They have both gills and a modified swim bladder that acts as a lung. This adaptation allows them to breathe air at the water's surface, which is especially useful in low oxygen environments. Gars are often solitary and ambush predators. They are known for their patience, lurking in the water and striking quickly. When prey comes within range, they have a slow metabolic rate, enabling them to go without food for extended periods. Gar reproduction involves external fertilization. The female releases her eggs into the water, and the male releases sperm to fertilize them. The adhesive eggs attach to vegetation or other surfaces, where they develop. Young gars resemble miniature adults. While some gar species are considered of least concern in terms of conservation status, others, such as the alligator gar, have faced declines in population due to habitat loss and overfishing. Efforts are in place to protect and manage gar populations in various regions. Gars have cultural significance in some indigenous communities in North America. They have been used in traditional art, craft, and as a food source in some cultures. Gars are ancient fish that have thrived in North American waters for millions of years. Their unique adaptations, including their armored scales and ability to breathe air, make them fascinating subjects of study and observation. While some species of gars are relatively common, others face conservation challenges, highlighting the importance of protecting their habitats and understanding their ecological roles in freshwater ecosystems. The European perch is a species of freshwater fish native to Europe and parts of Asia. It is a popular sport fish and is known for its distinctive appearance and adaptability to various aquatic environments. Here are some key characteristics and facts about the European perch. European perch have a slender, elongated body with a distinctive pattern of dark vertical stripes on a yellow-green to olive-green background. Their dorsal fin is divided into two parts, a spiny front portion and a soft rayed rear portion. The size of European perch can vary depending on their age and environmental conditions. On average, they reach lengths of 6 to 12 inches, but individuals can grow larger. The maximum recorded size is around 24 inches in length. European perch are highly adaptable and are found in a variety of freshwater habitats, including lakes, ponds, rivers, and reservoirs. They prefer clear or slightly turbid waters with submerged vegetation and rocky or gravelly substrates. Perch are carnivorous predators and have a varied diet that includes small fish, crustaceans, aquatic insects, and other smaller prey. They are known for their ambush hunting style, lurking near underwater structures and vegetation to surprise and capture their prey. Perch are often found in schools, especially when they are young. As they grow, they may become more solitary. They are territorial fish, particularly during the breeding season, and will defend their chosen area from other perch. European perch reproduce through external fertilization. The female releases her eggs, and the male simultaneously releases sperm to fertilize them in the water. The adhesive eggs attach to submerged vegetation, where they hatch into fry. Perch can reproduce when they are a few years old, depending on environmental conditions. European perch are not considered threatened or endangered. They are a popular game fish in Europe and are often targeted by recreational anglers. Conservation efforts focus on sustainable fishing practices, habitat protection, and the prevention of the spread of invasive species that could impact their populations. European perch are valued as a food fish and are enjoyed in many culinary traditions. They have white, flaky flesh with a mild flavor and are prepared in various ways, including frying, baking, or grilling. European perch are prized by anglers for their sport and culinary value. Their adaptability to different aquatic environments and relatively wide distribution make them a common and well-known fish in European freshwater ecosystems. They play an important role in food webs and are part of the cultural heritage of many regions where they are found. The basking shark is a massive and relatively gentle species of shark, known for its filter-feeding behavior. It is the second largest living shark species, after the whale shark, and is found in oceans around the world. Basking sharks are named for their habit of swimming slowly near the surface of the water, often with their enormous mouths wide open as they feed. Here are some key characteristics and facts about the basking shark. Basking sharks are among the largest fish in the world. They can reach lengths of up to 40 feet or more. Some individuals have been reported to exceed 50 feet in length. Basking sharks have a distinctive appearance characterized by their elongated, cylindrical bodies and pointed snouts. They have small eyes and a large, wide mouth that extends almost the full width of their head. They lack sharp teeth and have specialized filter-feeding structures instead. The skin of basking sharks is usually grayish-brown or dark brown on the upper side, and lighter on the underside. They may also have mottled or speckled patterns on their skin. Basking sharks are primarily pelagic and are found in open oceanic waters. They can be found in both temperate and cold waters, and their distribution is widespread, encompassing various regions, including the North Atlantic, North Pacific, and other parts of the world's oceans. Basking sharks are filter feeders, and their diet consists primarily of plankton and small fish. They swim with their mouths wide open, allowing water to flow over their specialized gill rakers, which trap and filter out tiny organisms, including copepods, krill, and small fish. Basking sharks are known for their leisurely swimming style near the surface, often appearing to bask or gulp at the water's surface. They are generally slow-moving and peaceful animals, rarely displaying aggressive behavior. Basking sharks are known to undertake seasonal migrations, moving to different areas in search of food and favorable water temperatures. These migrations can be quite extensive, with some individuals traveling long distances. Much remains unknown about the reproductive behavior of basking sharks. They are thought to give birth to live young, but specific details about their reproductive cycle are still being studied. Basking sharks are listed as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, due to threats such as habitat degradation, bycatch in fisheries, and boat strikes. Conservation efforts are in place to protect these gentle giants, including regulations on fishing and efforts to reduce human disturbances. Basking sharks are fascinating creatures that play an important role in marine ecosystems by filtering vast amounts of plankton and contributing to the health of ocean food webs. Their massive size and unique filter feeding behavior make them a subject of interest and conservation efforts in various parts of the world. The term a glassfish can refer to different species of fish, and its meaning can vary depending on the context. Here are a few possible interpretations. Glassfish is a common name for various small transparent or translucent fish belonging to the family Ambassaderae. These fish are known for their transparent or semi-transparent bodies, which make them resemble glass. They are typically found in freshwater and brackish water habitats in Asia, Africa, and Oceania. Glassfish are popular in the aquarium trade due to their unique appearance. Glassfish is also the name of an open-source application server for building and deploying Java EE applications. It is developed by the Eclipse Foundation and provides a platform for running Java-based web and enterprise applications. Glassfish is often used by developers and organizations for hosting web applications and services. In some contexts, the term glassfish may refer to various fish species with hyaline bodies, which can include certain species of tetras, catfish, and other small aquarium fish known for their translucent appearance. The specific interpretation of glassfish would depend on the context in which the term is used. It could refer to the family Ambassaderae in a biological context, the software application server in a technology context, or transparent fish in a general sense. The four-eyed fish is a unique aquatic creature, known for its distinctive eyes and behavior. Although it is called the four-eyed fish, it actually has only two eyes like most other vertebrates. However, its eyes are divided horizontally into two separate parts, allowing it to see both above and below the water's surface simultaneously. Here are some key characteristics and facts about the four-eyed fish. The four-eyed fish has large bulbous eyes that are divided into two parts by a band of tissue running horizontally across each eye. The upper part of the eye is adapted for seeing in air, while the lower part is adapted for seeing underwater. This unique adaptation allows the fish to see potential threats and prey in both environments simultaneously. Four-eyed fish are found in freshwater and brackish water habitats, particularly in regions of Central and South America, including parts of Mexico, Venezuela, and Trinidad. They prefer shallow, slow-moving waters with plenty of submerged vegetation. Four-eyed fish are omnivorous and feed on a variety of aquatic organisms, including insects, crustaceans, and small fish. They are known for their ability to leap out of the water to catch flying insects that are near the water's surface. Four-eyed fish are live-bearers, which means they give birth to live young rather than laying eggs. Mating takes place in the water, and the female can store sperm for later fertilization. When the young are born, they are already capable of swimming and feeding on their own. These fish are surface dwellers and are often seen at, or just below the water's surface. They spend a significant amount of time at the water's surface, where they use their specialized eyes to detect both aerial and underwater prey and predators. The most well-known species of four-eyed fish is Anableps anableps. There are several species within the Anableps genus, and they share similar characteristics. Four-eyed fish are not considered threatened or endangered. They are relatively common in their native habitats and are not heavily targeted by fisheries. The four-eyed fish is a fascinating example of evolutionary adaptation, with its unique eye structure allowing it to effectively hunt for prey and evade predators in both aquatic and aerial environments. While its name might suggest the presence of four eyes, it's the division of its two eyes that sets it apart from most other fish species.